Oh, there she goes.
Okay, we're gonna add this, okay?
Come. We're gonna go build a stroller. We're gonna go build a stroller. We're gonna go build a stroller. Yes! Yes!
Oh my gosh, it looks like the boys are in the lead.
Let's go! Wait, no,
See that?
Wait, she can't be on our side.
What do I do? No. Please, Sean, please. Come on.
Tsunami, you just lost your kid.
Tsunami, our kid!
That's mine?
You know, when you're a parent, you have to be able to put together a stroller very quickly because you just don't have time. This is real parenting skills right here, and both of them are struggling.
Oh my God.
Wait, that one's his kid! You guys mixed it up!
I told you she was with me.
Okay, I think they might have just switched out kids, but they're twins. It happens when you're a parent.
Come on, Tsunami, come on!
What did it? Come on!
Tsunami, go quick!
Attach those.
Yes!
Yes! Yeah, come on! Yes!
Wait, I don't understand where the cup holder goes. Come over here. Oh God.
Boys, you're losing your girl.
Leave it. Go. Get her.
Okay? Come over here with me.
The girls are about to win again. This is crazy.
Shove her in!
Bye, everybody.
You gotta be kidding me. The girls won again? What? The score is now 3-0. Things are really not looking good for the boys.
All I'm picking up from this is you guys would be terrible dads.
Yeah.
Honestly, like, what are you guys doing? We're at 3-0 and you guys still can't do anything?
I haven't gone yet. Let me prove myself as a parent.
No, it's okay. You guys are gonna have a billboard.
Next, parents have to be really good teachers. So Ledger and Eliana, step forward.
Oh yeah. Eliana, come on. You got this. Guys, where's the support? I mean, he's getting all this like kumbaya and I
That's because they know that I'm gonna win.
Okay.
I'm a better teacher. I'm literally a dance teacher. Are you kidding me? What are you?
I'm a gymnastics coach.
Can you do a standing back tuck?
Yeah, I can. Can you do a
So
standing
can I?
back tuck?
You're each gonna teach a subject to a kid. Whoever wins the standing back tuck challenge gets to pick which skill they teach. I'm gonna be the judge. Okay, ready? Oh! It was close, but Ledger crossed the line, which means Eliana wins and gets the advantage. I'm gonna mention the two subjects you're gonna teach, and then you get to pick which one you want. Okay, Eliana, by the way, what is it that you do for a living?
Gymnastics coach.
Interesting. So number one is teaching your kid to do gymnastics. Okay, so that could have been you, but you lost. Too bad, you went over the line.
That's so sad.
Number two, teaching your kid to ride a bike.
Eliana, come on. He literally teaches gymnastics. Why wouldn't you teach gymnastics? It's only like a handstand. I would like to choose gymnastics.
Okay. So you have to teach the bike, okay?
Okay, whatever.
So boys teach bike, Eliana, and the girls, you are teaching gymnastics. By the way, the kid doesn't know how to ride a bike. And your kid has never done gymnastics. You gotta teach her how to do gymnastics. I wanna remind you of something. What's the score so far?
It's 0-3.
Yeah, 0-3. Okay, so you might want to win this. Now, let's meet our judges. This is Matt and Rebecca, and they have a 6-month-old and a 4-year-old. They will be the parenting judges today because actually the teams are not being judged on whether or not the kid learns the skill, but on how they are teaching the skill. But they don't know that. You know how you guys always tease me about my outfit? Look who's copying me now. Stand up. Stand up. Are you kidding me? You're copying my style, literally. Now, I'm Matt Slaves. Same guy. This is Chris, and he knows how to ride a bike with training wheels.
He does.
You're gonna have to teach him how to do it without him. And you got 10 minutes. This is Brooklyn. She's a beginning gymnast, but she doesn't know how to do a cartwheel on beam. Today, Eliana's gonna teach her, and you have 10 minutes to do it. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, first of all, high five. Let's do this. Okay, just put your hands down first and kick. You got it, yes! Woo!
Stand up on the pedals. There you go. And I want you to push down real quick, just real forward.
Look, he's actually talking him through it.
Yeah, you got it.
Try to have your feet land in the same line, okay? So ready, let's go. Up, back down.
Now I want you to take your feet here, and I want you to push forward slowly.
Okay, he seems very patient with him, which is really good when you have a kid.
Good job. You got it.
I like that he's down at the same level as him in eye level, so it makes him feel like he's a peer.
Oh, do you want me to show you? Ready, let's go into a bridge. And just kick as hard as you can.
Rebecca, they have made zero progress.
What do you mean? She just did a bridge. She almost kicked over.
Come on, just like kick with your hands. Just kick and try to push. Oh, you're so close. You're so close. I'm gonna help you. Ready? And then kick.
Eliana keeps trying a lot of different things. I don't know if she knows what skill she's going to teach.
I'm holding you the whole time, okay? You're not gonna fall. Promise. Yep. Good job. I'm barely holding you, Chris. You got
But
this.
he's actually balancing. It doesn't look like he's holding him that much.
Hey, guys, give it up for Chris. Give me a round of applause. Look at that. Look at that.
His teaching method is actually really good. He's been staying calm the whole time.
Where we have Eliana over here, she needs help from the other person.
When you start, you want to have your foot like this and kick really big with that leg. Yeah. And then put one hand like this.
Hey, what is this? You can't be in there. Get out. Get out.
She's just demonstrating. Hey, I got
Are you serious? No, that's not fair. No, you're supposed to be teaching her. You're supposed to be teaching her.
It's a demonstration.
It's not a demonstration, it's cheating.
This is tough. I don't know who I'm gonna vote for.
Go. You got this. Let's go, Chris. We can do this. It doesn't matter if you win or lose.
It's not about winning or losing. I think that's important for a kid to hear.
Go, go, go. Yeah!
That was impressive.
The level of improvement is pretty high right now.
3, 2, 1, go!
She got it!
3, 2, 1. Let's go. You got this, Chris. Go. Chris.
She did a cartwheel on the beam. He rode a bike for the first time. This is gonna be hard to judge.
We're about to hear from our judges who won, but I just wanted to let you guys know it wasn't whether or not your kid learned the skill, it's how you taught the skill.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Both kids did amazing. Brooklyn did a cartwheel. Chris rode a bike for the first time. But as Jordan said, we were judging on parenting. And with the girls, there were a lot of voices coming at Brooklyn at the same time, which is not good for a toddler.
You can. Yes. Use your hips. So on. Use your hips.
The boys were very patient, and there was one voice teaching him.
The boys are the winners!
Yes! Oh my God! You guys, in your face! In your face! In your face! Hey, do you want me to teach your girl gymnastics or what?
The boys are confident now with their first point, but they'll never guess what's coming next.
Guys, it's only one more week until the new Sincerely Yours clay mask drops. So sign up for the waitlist on sincerely-yours.com so that you can get it before it sells out.
Next round, the most important thing a parent needs to do is protect their kid. Each of you nominate one of you that will protect a kid. Go.
Tsunami, you're like the tallest. Wait, you went
I think Salish.
Okay, fine. Fine.
I'm on a roll.
Yes.
He's on a roll. I'll do it for you guys. I'll do it for you guys.
Whoever's been selected for each team, step forward.
Bruh. Oh my gosh.
Hey,
It's
you know
fine,
what?
I'm gonna win.
No,
Whatever.
We're gonna win. I don't know what you're talking about. We're on a streak here.
Streak? You
We beat you by a mile.
How is that a streak of losses, maybe?
Yeah, streak of one.
Are you ready for the next challenge? Are you ready? You're gonna need to be ready. Are you ready?
What?
Okay, you'll see.
Look at your jeans.
Look at your pants.
Wait, turn, look at me. Wait.
Salish,
Yeah.
for this challenge, your daughter is Jordan.
Okay.
That's actually her name. Very cool name, by the way. If you ever want to name your daughter Jordan, son Jordan, best name out there.
Okay, Dad.
Okay. You have to protect Jordan for 1 minute. Before you do that, do you want me to like teach you, like maybe tell you how to protect your daughter? and all
You?
that? Yeah.
Telling me how to protect my daughter?
Yeah.
Bro, I need a much cooler dad.
Wait, I'm as cool.
Perfect.
Your job is to protect your daughter in 2 easy steps.
Okay.
All right? When he's coming, you go right at the knee.
Okay.
When he goes down, you reset right on the head.
Okay, can I practice really quick?
Sure. Just like that, but don't hit yourself. Do it 10 times as hard.
You have 1 minute to protect Jordan from Ledger.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now you gotta tap into that protective instinct, that maternal protective instinct. You know, like in Stranger Things, ready? Like this. Remember, like, don't touch my daughter.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Like that, right?
No, not quite.
1, 2, 3, go!
Ah!
2 hands, Salish! 2 hands!
You get out of my way!
He's getting to your daughter! He's getting to your daughter! Yes! Get him! Get him! Knock it out! Yes! Yes!
Get me!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
You're supposed to protect me! My mother didn't protect me like she was supposed to.
I didn't mean to.
I won. No.
Okay. their second point.
Yeah! Let's go! Generational comeback! The score is 3-2, but now it's Ledger's turn to protect his kid from Salish.
This is a brand new iPhone 17, and this is Pierre, Ledger's kid. Salish, your job is to convince Pierre to keep this iPhone 17, and your job is to protect Pierre from iPhone addiction by convincing him not to accept the phone from Salish. Pierre knows he's not actually getting the phone, he's just making a decision based on whoever makes the best argument.
Imagine all the conversations that you can have with your friends. Right now, like, you might be missing out on half of the conversations that you could have with them because they all have phones. And then when you get to school, they're all gonna be talking about what they were talking about on the phone. You're gonna have no idea what they're talking about.
Okay, I don't actually believe most of this. I just want to win.
You can check the weather, you can play games. Do you like games?
No,
Do you
kind
like
of.
shopping?
No.
No? Okay, so then you can online shop, so then you don't have to go in store to get clothes. Suddenly, when you're bored, you can just go on your phone and you can watch a Netflix show, and then you don't have to, you can just sit in your bed and watch Netflix. Like, doesn't that sound fun?
Do your parents ever make food for you and you don't like it? It's not your favorite kind of food?
Sometimes not.
Yeah, well, you can DoorDash food on your phone.
You're gonna miss a lot of your life if you're stuck on your phone
Or he's
scrolling on
gonna
your
see
screen all
more
day.
of his life if he can text his friends and know what's
But
happening in
wouldn't
their
you rather
conversation.
hang out with them in person?
Yeah, but you can't hang out with them in person if you can't make plans on your phone.
As a parent, my job is to help you with things based off of my past experiences.
And TikTok, you know, that's fun. You can scroll on TikTok.
Oh
if
yeah,
you
yeah, doom scrolling.
You know,
that
I've
sounds
actually
fun.
learned a lot from TikTok.
Really? Factual information.
No, I've learned a lot of
no,
the
you
new
said no.
trends.
Yeah.
I don't think Salish believes half of what she's saying, but she's making a pretty good case.
I've seen you on your phone today, and between scenes you're like, so why are you talking about how a phone is bad?
Based on my past experiences, I have
Your
to do
past
what's best for
experiences
him.
that you're not trying to change.
Oh, okay, okay.
And it's so important to have a phone. You can contact
It's
your
not
parents
important.
if you need
You can
to.
talk to your friends
if you
in
need
person.
to, you can contact your
You
parents.
have friends in
what
person.
if
They're not even talking to him anymore.
it's an emergency?
If it's an emergency, you ask somebody to use a phone.
Well, what if there's nobody
There's
around
people
you and
around
you
you
need
all
to,
the time.
like,
He doesn't need a phone. You can't tell my
Yes,
son
he
not to
does.
have
It's
a
literally
phone.
so much safer
That you
to have a
can
phone.
experience life.
Stop!
I'll take the phone.
Whoa! 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 I didn't see that coming. Wow!
Dude, I couldn't even protect my own son from technology. Like, what am I doing?
I didn't even believe half of what I said, and I still convinced him because my argument was so good.
I don't even have a phone. I
Yeah.
thought she had a better argument.
Yeah, don't get a phone until your mom is ready.
Salish won that round, but what's coming up next is much harder.
Have you ever had a crush that you've never told anyone about?
Next challenge, as a parent, you have to be strong. You carry a lot of stuff. You got a baby, you got a backpack, you got stuff. Each of you has 30 seconds to nominate the strongest person on your team. Go.
You were definitely the strongest.
No, my back is not good for
Wait, but
this.
I feel like Salish is in 2 challenges now. So
Yeah, I feel like we should switch shoes. Bro, I'm in heels. Look at my shoes. No,
Before we get into it, let me just show you
Give
something
me,
real quick.
we need it. All right, man. That's, you have to get him in. We have to put him in.
I'm not strong at all. I'm not strong. I'm not strong. What? Oh my god!
All right, and time. If you've been nominated, step forward.
let's go, Tsunami. You got this. No,
We're like the same height. I got this.
Wow! This is very simple because we are playing, as you know, first team to get 5 points wins. The girls have 4 points. That means if they win this is over, and girls are better parents. Each bag weighs 20 pounds. Whoever drops the bags first loses.
Oh, see that? Yeah, now we're flexing. Let's get
There you
it.
go. Do
Yeah.
the other one.
Hey, you got this. Easy.
Take it out.
Easy.
Oh my
Okay.
god, this is heavy.
It's getting heavier. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, hold it up. You got it. Oh my God. Yo, see, you thought there was dust shit on. Cold.
How you feeling?
Not good.
Are your arms starting to burn? Imagine if you've got a baby or maybe even twins.
This is 5 babies.
This is nothing. Why are you complaining?
You have a biological advantage.
Physically, boys are stronger.
Hey, that's a bad mindset. That's a bad mindset.
Yes!
Yes! Hold it up.
It got too heavy.
Okay, don't show off. Okay, we get it. The boys won that round. They got a point. They're winning standing 4-3. So right now, if they win this round, you guys got to do the billboard with your embarrassing baby pictures. Those are bad. I've seen them. They're not blurry. I can't wait to show the world. So for this challenge, to be a parent, you have to be honest with your kids. Each of you nominate whoever you think is going to be most truthful.
Not me.
Salish, why me?
Easy, I'm picking you. You.
Whoever's been nominated, step forward.
Let's go.
And I'm sure you all know who our guest star is, John the polygraph expert.
He's horrifying.
Good luck, you go first. It's right that way.
Like, he never smiles.
And the challenge is simple. This is Chloe, and she's gonna ask you 5 questions. And all you have to do is tell the truth. Just remember that both teams can see you, and millions of people are watching you right now. First question, Chloe, you know what to do.
Am I your favorite kid you've met today?
No, just say it.
Come on, lock in.
Maybe because I just met you, so I don't really have an idea of who you are.
That's true.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
Sean!
Wait, no!
Have you ever peed in the pool with anybody else in it?
Millions of people are watching. Remember that, Sean.
Yes.
Ew!
That's true.
But at least he's honest. He's
Everyone's
honest.
done it. Everyone's
He's
done it.
honest. He's honest.
Did you say everybody's done it?
No, they have not.
I was a lot younger.
How old were you when you peed in the pool?
14.
That's true.
What? That was like last year.
Someone get this man. This man's cuckoo
Stop
crazy.
stuttering.
Look, I had to tell the truth for you guys. We need this point, okay?
So you did a show on Darman with Kato.
Did he just mention Kato, Salish?
Oh my God.
Do you still talk to him?
Oh my. Yes. The classic question. No, I don't talk to him. We're both kind of doing our own things, honestly. So, we just went our separate ways. He's doing whatever he's doing, and I'm doing my own thing, honestly.
That's true.
Yeah, no hate. We just moved our separate ways. Just by the way.
How old were you when you went on your first date?
I was 13. Yeah, and
With who?
no.
Do we know them?
People from my high school watch this video.
I think I was 12.
That's true.
Final question.
That's true.
Yes! Yes! Get me out of here. Good luck, Salish. You're getting the billboard. Ha! Oh! Yes! That's right!
We could win this right now. He didn't lie even once.
I got
Salish, bye.
This is the moment of truth, Salish. The whole competition is in your hands. If you lie even once, you'll lose the round and give the boys one last chance to prove once and for all who are the best parents, boys or girls.
Hi, Salish.
Hi.
Have you ever cheated in school?
Yes.
Bad girl. Salish.
That's true.
Wait, but we got it right.
Yeah, so good girl,
Let's
Salish.
go.
But okay, it was a long time ago. I don't recommend it. I definitely learned my lesson. And yeah, don't do it, okay?
Okay.
True.
Yeah.
Have you recently lied to your parents?
This might be it.
Yes.
True.
Oh, okay, can we hear more about that?
Please.
Chloe, do you have a follow-up question there?
About what?
That's not a yes or no question, so I don't have to answer.
True.
God, dude.
Who do you like better, Tsunami or Eliana?
Hey, this is gonna break up friendships right here.
I literally like them both equally.
That's true.
That's our girl.
That's our girl, yeah.
Have you ever been rejected by a boy?
Oh my God.
Well, what do you define as rejected?
You said you liked somebody and they didn't like you back.
Then no, because I've definitely liked people that don't like me back, but I never said anything, so no.
True.
That's right. That's right.
That's it, Salish. One more question, and if you don't lie, the girls are better parents than the boys.
I made a drawing for you. Do you like it?
Can I see?
Yeah.
Salish, lock in.
Am I a really good artist?
Be honest, Salish. Be honest.
It's not even her drawing, it's to trap Salish.
Yeah, I really like it.
No.
Bye.
I told you! In your face! The comeback of the century!
Okay, so that means I lost, but we're all tied up. I don't want to be on a billboard.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Hey, you lied to a kid. How could you do that? What kind of parents?
It is a 4-4 tie. Next point wins, and the final round is a birthday party. Today is Chloe's birthday, and each team will throw her a birthday party.
For my birthday party, I'm hoping for food, activities, and of course, an awesome present.
I bought a ton of birthday party decorations, and each team has 5 minutes to pick up as much as they can. But here's the catch. Only one person from each team is allowed to collect them and bring them to their side.
Something that you need to grab is the Switch. All girls love a Nintendo Switch.
Get that Switch, give it to the birthday girl, she'll win us over. Exactly.
Chloe is going to decide which party she likes more, and that team wins the entire competition. 1, 2, 3, go! Both of them immediately go for the Switch, but it looks like Gio is going to win.
I got the Switch!
Okay, get the beanbag, get the beanbag, get the beanbag.
Go!
Each team has 5 minutes to grab whatever they want and bring it to their side.
Yes! Get the beanbag!
Focus on snacks!
Get the cake, get the cake! Good job!
They are going crazy. After the Nintendo Switch, all strategy went right out the window. They're literally just grabbing whatever they can get their hands on. Let's see if that pays off in the end.
Wait, no! Who are you? What do you do?
I'm the entertainment.
You're coming with me?
Oh, you're coming with me?
Oh, they're fighting over Ian.
Come on.
Going back in, bro.
Eliana is getting the 1 from the giant 11 side.
I don't know what these are, but I'm taking them anyway.
She also found the giant ball pit hidden in the back.
That's right. Get a table!
And stop! And now each team has 30 minutes to build their birthday party. Go!
I low-key feel like we got some good stuff. Like, we got this in the back.
We got slide, bro. Literally, that's the best thing we could have gone.
Ball pit at the very bottom. Boom!
We have this speaker.
And we have a Nintendo Switch. And we have a mystery inflatable. Does it get any better than that?
But Eliana, did you not get ball pit balls?
No!
Eliana, why didn't you get the ball pit?
No, not that for me! We don't need him. No offense, you're useless. No, we need the balls.
we
Wait,
need him.
I have a request. Have a negotiation. Q, come here. Just for a second, can you just skedaddle on over here, please?
Yeah, what's up?
We're really in need of something, so we are willing to give you our only entertainment for the balls.
We want Ian and the 1.
I took that. I don't want you to have that. Sing. Show them.
Happy birthday to you.
He's worth the 1 too. Give him the 1.
You know what? Fine, you can have your 1. That's right.
Ellie, we need to start setting up our ball pit balls.
Okay, we brought in a bunch of people to help them make the birthday parties as awesome as possible. And after both teams pushed themselves to throw the best birthday party ever for Chloe, now it's time for the birthday girl to judge each party and determine a winner. Boys first, let's go.
Chloe, well, happy birthday. Welcome to our birthday. Woo!
Thank you. It looks so good. I love
So
this.
first off, we have a beanbag.
Oh my God, it's so
filled with
cute.
beautiful stuffed animals.
I don't know, guys. It looks really messy to me in there.
Your bouncy castle.
Oh my God, this looks so fun.
And we have a special guest for you today.
Happy birthday.
Our cake is so much better.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
I am so glad that we traded Ian. This is embarrassing.
Yeah, I mean, his singing is really good, though.
His singing is really good.
We have one last surprise. The big surprise. A brand new Nintendo Switch.
Oh my God, I've always wanted one.
We're so happy.
Oh, I really wish I could have gotten the Switch. That would have made it so good.
Best birthday ever.
She said the best birthday ever. We won.
Yes, I love this.
In the back.
Guys, I don't think this looks good for us.
You got everything that you could, and we have perfect stuff. Guys, you see how that they're not playing in the bouncy castle with her? Ours is gonna be so much better because we're gonna be with her.
This is an actual party. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Woo!
Good luck, girls. She's already having fun.
Oh my God!
Can we? Wait. Could I offer you a hat, please?
Yes, of course. Oh my God, this looks so fun. A ball pit?
No, we have this in the bag, dude.
Why don't you come? You're our queen. So this is your royal chair. Oh, so nice. And you have a nice
Love
stuffed
this.
animal.
Oh my God.
So beautiful.
Just a chair?
Happy birthday!
Oh my God, and it's pink?
We made this cake just for you.
Oh my God.
And you have soda.
Oh my God,
give a bigger cake.
Who cares if it's decorated?
You know what's better than a Nintendo Switch?
Oh my God!
Very own VR set.
I thought she wanted the Switch.
I would just like to point out, we actually did all this ourselves.
We did all by ourselves, no help.
As you can see, no help. Yeah, sure, Salish.
Please head on up to the slide.
Oh my God, what? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
See, all of us can party. The boys didn't party with you, but we can all have fun.
I love this. Thank you. All right, guys, I'll be right back.
Yeah, she kind of looks like she's having too much fun.
I brought popcorn. Oh, here you go. Popcorn? Yeah. Oh my God, I love this.
Oh, come on!
Oh gosh, it smells so good.
And after a full day of competitions, challenges, ups and downs, this birthday party is going to prove who are the best parents, boys or girls. And now it is time for Chloe to make her final decision and determine who won this competition. Have you made a decision, Chloe?
Yes.
Okay, who was a better parent, the boys or the girls?
I loved the boys. It was lots of fun. I loved the girls. They made their own cake and they actually played with me.
Chloe, I'm so happy that you enjoyed your time here with the boys and girls, but unfortunately, we only have space for one winner, and it's all in your hands now. Who was a better parent, the boys or the girls?
The
Comment below if you want to see another boys versus girls challenge. Have a great day. Bye.
So guys, nice baby photos. Better luck next time.
Today, my daughter Salish and I play an extreme game of hide and seek. We put 60 boxes all over this mansion. 10 YouTubers will be hiding in those boxes while Salish and I seek them. Every round, we will get something crazy to hit a box with, and if there's someone inside, they better watch out. We get 13 attempts to find everyone, or we get a brutal punishment. YouTubers, you have 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come get you. Go!
Here we go, here we go. Go, 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 go. Holy cow.
The last person to get found gets to stay in the mansion for the entire night.
I kind of want to hide inside.
Arnie, stay with me.
Leave me alone, you're ruining it for me.
We've been married for 5 years. Why would you leave me now?
I will always love you.
I guess I'm on my own.
Where do we hide, baby? We only have 10 minutes.
Dude, no, it's too small.
Don't break the boxes, Hudson. Why are they yelling?
Counting down for 10 minutes, and now Salish and I will just look out over the horizon and enjoy nature.
Yeah, I'll go make a TikTok.
Yeah, okay, can I do that with you?
Technically, you can move the boxes. All right, so we're really taking things out. I found this little house over here, and the door's unlocked. There's no way he's ever gonna think to look in here. See ya.
I'll go in this one, you go in that one.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna put it underneath this box, and then I'm gonna hide in a different box. There's somebody. There's somebody in there.
He literally just tried to set me up.
Hey, I'm creating a decoy for you, as if that's me underneath it.
2 minutes left, everyone!
I actually brought my fart machine. I'm gonna put it right here to make them think that there's an actual person hiding in this box. It should work now if I press this button.
I'm gonna go right next to them. It's so risky. Should I do it? Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Who's here? Excuse me. What are you doing? I'm hiding here.
You took our spot.
Oh my God.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
I'm gonna take off my shoe and hide it in one of the boxes. But it should be far from me. Wait. Is that believable? Yeah.
30 seconds left!
Alright, here goes nothing. That was a workout.
Jordan said that the winner can spend the night in this house. This is a sick mansion. It's literally in the middle of the Malibu mountains. We can have a beautiful time barbecue, have a picnic.
I don't think this is gonna fit both of us. Stop moving!
How about you hide in the other one and I stay here?
You wanna stay here alone?
How about we stay alone?
Okay, we stay together.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we come!
Each round we're pulling something from this box. Let's see the first round. Glitter!
Oh, glitter, dude, it ruins your day.
A glitter bomb!
I am so excited!
I really don't want to get glitter. I hope Jordan doesn't find me.
Did you hear something?
I heard something right here when we were sitting there. Would anybody be stupid enough to be right here?
I quit.
1 round down, 1 person found. Next round.
Power washer?
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
It's not good.
It says we get 3 boxes.
Is it power washer? Oh my God. I cannot afford to be power washed.
Okay.
This box.
I think I just heard Jordan. I don't want to get power washed. Not today.
Zach is right next to me. Zach, are you there? I can hear him vlogging. We gotta be quiet, because they're gonna get me. I'm going to start editing on my computer. I need to post a video by this afternoon, so that's what I do.
I can hear you vlogging.
This box feels sus.
Would somebody be stupid enough to be right next to the pool and the power washer? We're about to find out.
They're so close. They're literally right there.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh!
Dang it!
You're going down! Oh! We get 1 more. Can I pick?
No, I don't trust you.
There we go. Ready?
Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, you're going down! Oh, man!
Dang it!
All right, let's move on to the next round.
By the way, Dad, you got a little glitter.
What? Oh, God, no, get away, no!
What's out?
Next.
Thor hammer.
Do you know how heavy Thor's hammer is?
Okay, I've seen the Thor hammer. It looks like it'll hurt.
I have to go in a Thor costume? No. How about you do it?
No, it's too small. Let's see.
Are you kidding me? I'm almost 13.
Halloween's right around the corner. Ow. I say we go in here. It's hot out. People might be in here.
There are 4 boxes here, but I can only choose 1.
Oh my gosh. We have an air tag on Mila to make sure she didn't get hurt. She's right there. But we're not gonna hit her box. I hear Jordan and Salish right by this box.
I would hide in this one.
I don't think so.
No?
I just want to say that I really don't want to get out right now. It would be so awesome if I spent the night here. I would swim. I would hang out. It would be super cool.
This is Salish. He's right over here. I'm gonna try to brace this box.
That's my box. This is my box.
What are you doing? You going for this one?
Yeah, I think this one.
Hudson, this is the end.
Ah! Go! Damn it! Somebody's on there! Ah!
That's Zach, dude. He just got out. He was right next to me. That's so scary.
Yeah!
Hi, Jordan.
Try next time, Tiger.
Good luck.
Next one.
Medicine ball.
What's that?
Oh!
Okay, this is actually very heavy. This is gonna hurt.
Hello? Anybody here? Okay, let's look over here. If you're in this box right now, you are in a lot of trouble.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a fake shoe.
What is going on over there? Is that a Salish shoe?
I think they fell for my shoe trick.
That was pretty smart, Asala.
I'm gonna throw your shoe over this cliff if you don't come out in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, she threw your shoe over the edge, Asala.
It's not that bad.
Y'all know I'm not leaving here without getting a TikTok. Guess the dance.
Da-da-da.
Okay, next one. Switch boxes.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah. Everybody, switch boxes. You have 30 seconds.
No, we have to switch. This is the perfect spot. We gotta find another hiding spot quick. All right, so I gotta find a new spot right now. Zach, I found this door over here. Which No.
Wait, are we switching? Are we switching? I swear to God, are we switching?
Did they say switch box? Holy cow, dude, I cannot get into this box. I gotta go.
Where are you hiding, Hudson?
I have no clue. Where are you gonna go?
And I think this one was already knocked down, so they're not gonna expect it. Oh, there's so little.
Shoot. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go all the way over there. I'm gonna hide in the kitchen.
I need a new box.
I left the part machine right here, so I gotta hide somewhere close.
I wasn't looking.
This is a nice corner for myself. Signing off. Thank you, babe. I like that.
We're gonna win this little challenge. Timer's up! Next one. Howl for 10 seconds.
When I say go, you have to howl like a dog at the top of your lungs. If you hear somebody point, ready, set, go. This one!
It's this one!
Rock, paper, scissors!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
I won! Scissors needs paper!
No!
Come on over! You better watch out in there. You're going down.
What? Oh my God, Daddy, we almost lost.
Sorry about the mansion, buddy.
We are tracking Mila's location, and now it's time to get her out of the box. She's
Stinky Daddy.
Am I starting to smell that?
This is sweaty. Now we have to take a shower. Does anybody want pink strawberry ice cream? This is Mila's favorite ice cream. Somebody needs strawberry ice cream. Ice cream? I can't eat this by myself.
Oh my, okay, wow.
Yum. Got her.
You get 15 seconds to find a box right now.
Oh my
Go.
God.
15. All right, here we go. Next round.
Football player, 2 boxes. I am sorry, but I did Thor. You can go change into your costume. Go get him, buddy. Oof.
Who should I tackle, say?
I don't know.
I am a small human being. I should not be attacked by a football player.
What about this?
No.
I'm gonna go on this one.
No, 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 no.
Whoa, whoa.
I told you no one was in there.
I'm winding down to almost winning. If I win, I'm inviting all my TikToker friends. There's gonna be like 100 TikTokers in this mansion. We're gonna have a party.
Wait, Daddy, there's one in the water. Look, there's splash marks right here.
I don't want to get wet. I actually don't want the consequence, so I will jump in because the consequence is absolutely brutal.
Yeah.
Stupid you, you're in the box. You left the splash mark, dude.
Yeah, guys, come on. 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna make it look like I'm hiding in the box by just splashing water all over. Now I'm gonna hide in this box over here. Hopefully they don't see that. Hi.
Is anyone in there?
No.
Oopsies.
Hey, easy for you to say. Wow, I get one more box though.
I don't know. What box do you guys think?
What?
My dad is right over there. That box? Yeah, over here. This one.
Mila, do you want me to tackle your dad?
Yeah.
Should I tackle him really hard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Never actually tackled anyone before.
Jordan.
Oh my gosh, I just heard Anna's being tackled. I'm so glad that's not me.
He just tackled someone. I hope they're all right because that sounded like it hurt. I'm not playing this anymore.
After I got wet, I had to take a shower, and then we chilled out and we had a snack. So we just let everybody wait in their boxes and see if anybody got bored and quit. Anybody fall asleep in there? Time for another round.
It's literally been probably 5 hours.
Bumper bubbles.
Those are really fun. You know what those are?
No.
Bumper bubbles?
All these things sound so dangerous.
We get 10 seconds. Rowan, Mr. Glitterman is gonna time us. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, she got her brother. Oh my God, no.
Oh, that sounds way worse than I thought it was.
Dude, that hurt, bro.
God, no, what's that? Ow.
Holy cow, that was crazy.
Woo!
Ew, what is that?
I can hear the fart.
There's nobody. Whoever you are, I'm getting you next round. Ew.
We have gotten 7 people. We have 4 more left, and we only have a few rounds. And man, I do not want that consequence. Let me see if we can get everybody before it gets dark and avoid the consequence.
Next one. I don't want to say it.
She didn't want to say fart spray. One box is about to get some fart spray. Are you ready?
They're probably not ready.
Fart spray. Are you kidding me?
Let's first test it. See how bad it smells.
No.
Oh! Oh, wow. I think it's bad out here, but it would be worse inside, don't we think?
I've smelled fart spray before, and trust me, it's deadly. You do not want to be sprayed by fart spray. It is disgusting.
Okay. We haven't looked in the kitchen yet, and this would be a pretty epic place to hide. See if there's somebody in the kitchen. We haven't found anyone. We haven't looked in the kitchen yet. What is this about? I think this is fake. I don't think anybody's under there, but I think that means that somebody's in one of these boxes. I could... Oh God, I think that's fake. I don't think that's real. I'm gonna go with in here. Okay, if somebody is in here, you are about to get a really big fart spray. Ah! Yes, yes, stay in there, who is that? Mark, oh my God, that's bad. Oh God, get me out of here.
Oh my God. That was so bad.
I'm so sorry. Follow Markel on TikTok, please. He's amazing. 3 left. We have been waiting even longer to see if anybody will give up, but these last 3 contestants are sticking it out. It is now almost pitch black. Who's next?
Boxing gloves.
Boxing gloves. We have. Okay. Okay. Ow! I'm not in a box, Salish.
Do you guys want some?
Salish gets 10 seconds with huge boxing gloves starting right now. Okay, there's nobody there. Oh, go! You got 5 seconds left. Say 3, 2, 1. Nobody. Cut. Actually, cut. No, Sandy. Seriously, actually, cut. And here's where the losers have landed. What's the next round?
Coke and Mentos.
Coke and Mentos. When I think of huge explosions, you know who I think of? Collins Key. Do you want to do this one for us?
Oh, I get to do it?
You get to do it.
Please don't beat me. I just washed my hair.
This mansion cost us a lot for this video, and one of the remaining 3 people might end up winning it if we don't find them all. We have knocked over pretty much every box outside, except this one.
Oh, yeah. Hello.
I don't know.
I
just heard somebody vlogging in there. Okay, here we go.
All right, so bottles underneath. 3, 2, 1.
I was so close to winning.
God, it's just me and Devin.
It is time for the final round. Only Asala and Devin are left. If we don't find them both, we have to get a terrible consequence, and they get the mansion.
Air horn?
Oh!
The air horn hurts from all the way over here. I can only imagine where it's like next to the box.
We're gonna put this up to the boxes and see if somebody makes a noise.
Attention all hiders! You have 30 seconds to hide in a new spot inside downstairs. Good luck!
1, 2.
Oh my gosh, it's dark out. Where I put my hoodie, they're never gonna suspect it here. What are you doing in here? Okay, fine. Guess I'll just go here. I don't have time. What are you doing here? What do you mean, what am I doing here? What are you doing there?
Out of all the places.
Yeah, but I put my hoodie there. Why are you wearing my hoodies at?
You left it. I used it as bait.
They have to get both of us to not do the consequence. Good luck.
Well, here we go!
Take the bites.
We've done every box in here. I haven't heard anybody scream yet.
I'm almost 100% sure somebody's
so
in
far,
here.
my biggest guess is this one, but let's go in the kitchen.
No, this is my guess.
Obviously, I'm in here, everybody. I haven't heard anybody make a peep.
I'm pretty sure they're in here.
They?
He or she.
We have to pick both right, or we get a consequence.
Oh my God!
One of these. I'm gonna push over one of these. Are you ready? Okay, we gotta get them both ready. 3, 2, 1. Can I do this? Ah! I got it! Did you get someone standing in there?
No!
We have the consequence. Devin won.
Where's Devin?
Yeah! Oh!
You got this, Tiger.
Thanks for watching the video. This is the world's largest bounce house. And today, 9 YouTubers will be chased by my daughter Salish in an extreme game of hide and seek.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
The winner will get an awesome 2-day yacht trip in Mexico. Hiders, there are 6 bags up here, 5 of which will help you win and 1 will sabotage you. You have 2 minutes to hide.
I'm nervous.
Me too. We're gonna crush this.
If you're willing to take a chance, you can come up here and grab 1 bag. Go! All right, let's get out of here, Say. Good luck, guys.
Oh my God. I got a bag.
I am not risking getting a bag. I'm gonna take all the time to find the best hiding spot.
We got a bag. Let's see, here we go.
Oh my God, this is gonna be difficult because of how wet the ground is.
And then a 19. And then an 18.
I didn't get a bag. That's gonna hurt me in the long run, but I'm gonna win this.
Yo, this place is massive. There's water everywhere. Oh!
We have to find and tag each hider, and once they're eliminated, they get a consequence.
Choose your desired color and blend into your surroundings.
No way! That's what I'm talking about right there. Use these items to fend off the seekers.
Okay, so I have a bag full of morph suits that will help me camouflage into anything.
Is it cool if I hide with you?
No, that's not cool with me now.
Drew and I are gonna team up because I'd bring him to Cancun and he'd bring me.
I need to get like on top of this slide. Might be dangerous.
Something unexpected, like trying to get under something.
I'm about to get really wet in here. So
How do I even get up there? There's no way Salish and Jordan are gonna be able to get up here. It looks literally impossible. Come on! Yo, I can only imagine how hard it's gonna be for Jordan.
If I paid you 50 bucks, can I get your backpack?
you can. This will help you camouflage.
All right, I'll pay you 50 bucks after.
No, you pay me now. He's not gonna pay me. I just lost out on my backpack.
I'm a subscriber and I got in this video by commenting on their last video. This could be you.
49, 48.
Me and Brett each got a bag. We're gonna see what's inside.
Mine's an extra life.
What?
Let's go.
This item will reveal the seeker's location. Password is 1, 2. This is gonna see where the seeker is at all times. All right, I made it on top of the tallest thing here. I could fall off the edge at any moment.
Ben! Ben's right here!
Hey!
These things are really cute. Tell me if you can see me. Can you see me?
You're good.
We have like 20 seconds. They're never gonna find me over here.
19, 18, 17, 16.
There's like a little tight space back here.
I'm gonna hide in this separate empty house. I'm gonna escape route right here.
Sandy, I paid Lexi 60 bucks for this. And it's definitely not worth it.
3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here we come. Climb up there, see if you can see anybody.
Okay.
Salish is looking around. If she can see you, that was a stupid move.
I think Salish can see me.
I see someone!
Oh, we're coming after you. I don't even know who was it. Who was it?
Drew!
Oh my god, I can see them coming around the corner right now.
Oh my god, we found him in 5 seconds. Say, flush him out.
I see Jordan and Salish, but I think I'm in the clear.
Whoa, he went that way.
Yeah, I see!
Oh my god, they are literally right around the corner right now.
Dude, oh man.
He's right there. He's literally right there.
Oh, they're coming over here. They're coming over here.
It is so wet down here.
It's
Look at that.
soaking!
Where'd he go? We lost Drew.
So I'm a college student in LA. I'm living alone in LA. I'm barely getting by. I'm trying to make ends meet. This cruise would be insane.
Look, look, look. Ah!
Oh no! Oh no!
I found Navi! No! No! Why is she so fast? No!
Oh my god! Guys, she found me. I need to go.
I found Abby, Drew, and Britt and didn't tag any of them.
How did you not tag them?
They're so fast.
I think we're gonna have to work together.
So when I see someone like Drew,
okay,
you wait on the bottom while I go up to get them, okay?
Okay. By the way, if we don't find everybody in an hour, we get a brutal consequence.
Dude, come on, let's go.
It's time to open my bag. Wait, what? You must reveal your location when announced. And I have an air horn? I shouldn't have grabbed the bag. No. If I win this thing and I get the trip to Cancun for 2 people, I'm taking my girlfriend Hannah. I actually saw the yacht in a trailer for Yacht's Life. I hope I win. The yacht looks amazing.
Dad!
Okay, say. You see anything here?
Yes.
You guys, Jordan and Salish are right here.
What? Oh, Salish, get her! Get her! She fell!
Guys, I've been found.
Are you kidding me?
No, go get her! She's right through there! I don't see her! Maybe she went this way. Where is she? I have no idea.
Okay.
Come on. Did she go this way?
Here?
Well, I don't know. Where'd she go? Did she go this way?
I think I lost them.
Not up here.
That was a close one.
You're smiling, Sandy. What happened?
You were close.
Ah!
I found Jeremy. And I copied his spot. Guys, Salish found me. I was in a panic.
We're in this together?
Yeah, we are.
I think I'm gonna have one of the best hiding spots in the house because I think this is one of the tallest slides here.
I found Lexi.
I'm gonna get my spot away.
I paid 50 bucks for this.
You haven't paid me yet. Okay, my walkie-talkie! No!
I'll save it for you, Lexi.
Ah!
I got it!
Be quiet!
Oh no, I just saw him. I'm gonna win this challenge because I'm camouflaged.
All right, you guys, let me know if you can see Hudson.
Bro, you can't see me.
I'm pretty sure you can.
There's something in here.
Oh my god, okay. You've been praying Salish? Salish? I am so pissed for that.
If I brought you to Cancun when I win,
Okay.
do I have to pay you $50?
You know, I think that you just want to take me on a trip.
No, that wouldn't. That's not it.
I need to find a better spot. This is so slippery. My hiding spot sucks, so I need a better spot.
Okay, there are now 3 people up here.
They're right there, dude. I see them.
I see Hudson! And I see Lexi!
Oh my god, 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 she's looking right at me.
I found someone! I found someone!
You go, distract him, you go.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
No, Jordan's waiting at the bottom, we can't go down.
Are you kidding? I got you! What are you thinking?
I don't know.
Go in there, go!
What? Oh wait, Salish, they're getting away! What happened?
Keep going.
Dang it, I really wanted to go to Cancun.
Well, too bad.
If I win the Cancun trip, I know who I'm gonna take, but I'm not gonna say who it is unless I win this. So you guys will see, hopefully.
Go! Oh. I escaped once. It's all or nothing now. I'm gonna win.
Lexi has been caught.
You really have to tell everyone?
Yeah.
You ready for that consequence?
Wait, what?
We all know you would have brought Andrew! Give it up for Landrew!
I'm gonna show you how close they are.
We all think Landreau's a thing.
It's bad enough I lost. Now I have to deal with this.
And now for the consequence. Oh my god!
Lexi is down. We're coming for you next.
They're coming. I'm gonna get up here. If we need to slide down, we can. Okay.
Abby, join me in my spot.
Yeah. Lexi just got caught.
Guys, this is getting so scary.
Okay, she thinks she knows where Britt is. Salish. Go get her!
Get them!
No, what the heck? That is not fair. Actually not fair.
I gotta go.
How fast is she? Got you!
You just fell for no reason?
I got you!
Because I have an extra life.
Oh no! Britt has an extra life. You have 1 minute. Go!
I feel so bad. Jordan just wiped out.
I'm taking it for the team, people. Torn Achilles. I do it for you. Subscribe.
What color is this?
Blue.
This.
Blue?
What color is this?
Green.
All right, let's try this. I think I hear him coming. We gotta be quiet.
Britt, you're right there. They're right there. Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
This guy saw my spot earlier and he stole it.
I did. I'm gonna take the suit off, but I gotta be slick.
If you have the air horn, you must blow it right now for 10 seconds.
No, here goes nothing.
Where?
Where's it coming from?
I see it! Who is it?
No. Slide down. Go.
He went down the slide!
Come on, get me, Ben. Come get me.
Run.
Where is he? What? Actually, what? No!
Oh my God, that was close.
No.
I got Hudson!
You didn't get me! No!
I got Jeremy! Oh, yes! How did he get up that quickly? Salish, go that way! Go that way! But we didn't get him again!
Oh my God.
Guess what, Jeremy? There's no way to get out.
Ah, no!
I got him!
No! Dang it! I just lost a trip to Cancun. Jeremy got caught. What a freaking idiot.
Jeremy did this to me in his video, so it's payback time.
Oh! Woo! Does anybody have any towels?
There you go.
Hello, everybody! Please come and meet me at the Yellow Hill.
They think this is hide and seek. They're in for a surprise.
Last person to tag me is eliminated.
If I can't beat Hudson, then I deserve to lose.
Bro, we're bros, dude.
I'm sorry. I need to beat you.
We're in this together.
Only one of us gotta make it to the top.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. my god! Okay, shoot good! Oh my god, they're all slipping! They're all slipping! Hudson! You're my brother! Okay?
Oh my god!
Really, can you help me out here?
I literally can't run. I can't run. Hey, $100, pull me out. $100.
I already got up.
Let me toss this shit.
Ben, go another. Oh, no! What? He's eliminated! I did not see this coming.
I let everyone down.
Time for the consequence! 2 minutes time! 1 minute 60!
I have an idea for one thing you probably don't want to do.
What? All right, guys, subscribe to Jordan Matter. Help him beat me to 20 million. He deserves it way more than I do.
We're gonna post that everywhere.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Bro.
Ow! Right now, Hudson's my target practice. Hudson, come back here! Ow, you're right. I just swings back in here. I'm in a puddle. It's so like, ew.
Amp Squad is gone. We're coming for the rest of you. This place is sick, actually. This is fun.
I really want to get Hudson.
We only have 30 minutes or we get a consequence, say. Do you see anybody?
Is there anyone up here?
Salish, we're splitting up.
Okay. I need to find Hudson.
Where are they? Salish, I'll find them and you go get them. How's it possible that nobody is here? You guys are all really good hiders.
This phone right here, it's tracking Jordan. So at any moment, I can see how far away he is. He's like 65 feet away.
I better go fast because Salish is really fast. Ooh.
Get Anna!
Oh no!
She's gonna go in there. Oh, you're done.
Oh no! There's nowhere to get out.
Yeah, 30 feet. Okay, I need to get somewhere else.
She did the same thing Jeremy did.
True!
Oh, we got 2 of them. I'll stay here. They can't get out. Go get them. Go get him. No. Say he can only get out here. Go get him. Oh! Got him! Yeah! I thought he was gonna win.
Where did Anna go?
Drew is toast. Run for your life, Brent! Brent, we're coming for you next.
I'm so sad that Drew got out, but I'm still proud of you, baby.
Time for your consequence. 3, 2, 1.
It's my last video, Jordan.
Comment below who you're rooting for. Who are you rooting for?
Not Hudson.
I have no better spot. I'm gonna hope they don't come that way and just hide back here.
Okay, I think someone's in there. I'm gonna go that way, you go around.
Oh. No! Salish, do you want to do it?
I wanted to try. I was gonna take you.
Sorry, I have to give him a consequence.
Oh, I'll give him the consequence. I'm gonna wax him. This is my favorite part of this video. Gotta warm it up a little more.
Bro.
3, 2, 1.
Ow! Ow! What is... Bro, what did you do?
4 people left. Congratulations. It's time for another challenge. Salish and I are each standing blindfolded with $100 in our hand. If you have courage to come take it out of our hands, we're waiting for you.
I could get out. I really need the money though. I don't play about money.
This is so weird. I can't see anything.
Come on, people!
I heard splashes. Oh my God.
Don't get me wet, please.
I don't know who you are.
Just come!
Do it already!
Come. Please don't get me wet. I feel someone. Please don't hurt me. Oh my God! Oh my God!
What happened? Did she get away?
Yep.
Nobody else wants $100?
Where'd she go? I see her. Where did she go? Wait. Camera.
No!
Sorry!
It's okay.
Yes, I got someone out!
At least I got $100. You know I don't play about my money.
But now you have a consequence.
Honestly, I would have done it again.
You're a subscriber. I hate to do this, but for your consequence, pick a hand, left or right.
Right?
You going right?
Yeah.
Okay, left was a pie, right is $1,000.
No way! Thank you guys so much.
Everybody subscribe. You can be next. Time for an obstacle course. The hider with the slowest speed is eliminated. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go, Sophie!
Oh, Sophie, yes.
Come on, Sophie.
Oh, this is where she's gonna get hard. She's killing it.
Go.
Here goes a flip. Oh, she lands a flip. Here she goes. She's got to climb up. She's a beast. Boom! 20.91 seconds.
This is like Brittany's like style. I have a better chance of beating Anna.
Go!
Come on, Anna.
Here comes Anna. She's going fast. Oh, actually, it's getting tight.
Go!
It's 50 seconds. Go! Go! You can do it. No, keep going. Keep going. Go! 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 26.93. Britt, you have to beat 26.93 to advance to the championship round.
You got this, Britt! I think Britt is for sure gonna make it to the next round. Baby, don't forget, we gotta go on a yacht!
I feel like Britt's gonna go really fast, so kind of nervous.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go, go!
Okay. Oh, she's gonna. Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh my gosh, she's going slow. Oh, Britt, gotta do the flip. Britt, you better hurry up. Oh my God, Britt, this is so close. Oh, 27.7. Whoa!
Oh, that was actually really fun, but it was so slippery I thought I was gonna die.
It comes down to Anna and Sophie for the championship.
I was honestly rooting for you because you two are so cute. Anyways, you lost, so now you have to drink this.
I literally hate pickles so much. Oh, wait, I smell it.
Go!
I hated that. Drew, wait up for me.
For the final round of challenge, you get 1 minute to hide. You cannot repeat a hiding place, and you have to stay in the main section on this side of the blue line. 1, 2, 3, go! As down to the final 2. 30, 29, 28, 27, 24, 23, 21, 20. Down to the last 10 seconds now. 7, 6, 2, 1 for a trip to Cancun. Ready or not, here we come. Should we stay together or split up?
Split up.
Come out wherever you are. And somebody's, oh.
Back up, Salish.
Okay. Dad, Sophie.
Shoot. No, oh no.
Okay, safe. Whoa, those things are strong.
Salish, back up.
The bullets are out.
Where's Anna?
You don't have any more bullets. Oh no. You're trapped though, Sophie.
I'm stalling to see if Salish gets Anna first.
Forget it. This is hard.
Are they coming?
They are both up there.
I'm coming to get you.
All right, guys, here you come. Whatever happens. Oh, Sophie, you're going. Wait. Salish, get Anna. Salish, can you get Anna? Anna. Oh, I got it. Oh my God. Oh no, you won, Sophie.
That was a great idea.
That was really smart. Anna, your consequence is you lost. Sophie, who are you taking to Cancun?
I think I'm taking.
Whoa! Today, my daughter Salish will try to find her mom, dad, and best friend in all these different groups of people. And she'll have to do it without seeing us. We'll give her a series of challenges that will determine if Salish really knows all of us.
No, that is not my mom.
First, Salish will try to prove if she has a special bond with her mother. First round is trust fall. One by one, the 5 of us are gonna come up and each catch her when she falls, and then somehow she's gonna have to decide which one of us is mom. Say, you ready?
Kinda.
When we tap you on the shoulder, it's time for you to go back.
Wait, Dad, tap me 3 times so I know, okay?
We'll each tap you 3 times.
Okay.
Number 1, step forward.
I don't trust whoever this is. They kind of just let me fall off the mat. They're like, eh, whatever. If she falls, she falls. Like, bro.
Number 2, step forward.
Who is this? Bro, that was scary.
And now I'm back. Here we go.
That was so scary, Dad. Who was that? She went so low, I almost hit the ground. She like couldn't catch me, so I had to step back. Bro.
So that was definitely not a trustworthy person.
No, not at all.
Whoa, geez, Salish. This is the easy part. Later in the video, Salish needs to figure out who of those 5 people is Nadal.
Is this your face? I don't know.
Promise me for 10 seconds not to move your feet.
10, 9.
Number 3, step forward before she stops counting.
Whatever.
Number 5, step forward.
Why are they fighting? No, I do not trust this person at all. Is this Hudson? This sounds like Hudson.
I'm back.
Whoa.
I need to get you centered.
I don't trust whoever this is.
Why?
I'm pretty certain this is Hudson. Yeah, this is Hudson, bro. I don't want to go. He's not even there.
Fall back like you're supposed to.
Salish, it's not me.
Hudson! This is Hudson. He went all the way saying she's not here and then sprinted back. I'm eliminating whatever number this is. Nope! Hudson! Why are you so far away? If I didn't step down, I would have died.
The final round is the hardest round, so you want to get this one right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Which number was your mother?
For sure 3. She was so gentle and like actually nice, and she went slow and took her time. The other one's just like, let me die.
Take off your blindfold and see if you're right.
Oh yeah, I was right. Yeah, I knew.
Moving on to the next round. Salish is definitely proving the bond with her mom so far, but that bond will be tested in the extreme final round. These are 3 Sephora hauls. One of the bags was put together by Lauren, one by me, and one by a Sephora employee. Only one of them did mom buy for you. Can you guess which one?
Probably not, but I'll try.
Salish and I love to go to Sephora together. I know Say has a thing for certain lip oils, blushes, sunscreen. I know what she likes. I'm pretty sure she's gonna pick my bag.
Ooh, low-key, okay, this might be her. I have this cleanser. You don't want to buy like another tube of it because you don't want to like waste it.
I like recycling.
Oh, the Say blush. Ooh, okay, that's low-key good. But I feel like you wouldn't think that this color would like work on me. She got this Jisoo lip oil. We got this one, like the actual color of this one, right? Together? So this is for sure not my mom.
If you're replaying her reactions, you're telling me this is not her bag, but we'll see.
And she knows I already have that, so that is for sure not my mom, like a no. Next one, Murad Acne Control for normal, the oily skin. I have really dry skin, and you know that because my skin's like red every single day. I don't wear lipstick, and this is like dark.
Try it on Dad. He's got like almost no lips, so. No. Oh, let me see.
This is for sure not my mom because this is oil and pore control. She likes sunscreen on me, but this is acne control.
Salish doesn't have acne, but the people in the store insisted that all teenage girls are buying acne products, so I got it too.
Oh, this is ultra hydrating. I feel like my mom would buy me this, but none of the other things.
The products Salish uses for skincare seem to change all the time, so I really had no idea what to buy.
This one, like maybe, but that one for sure no. I need to look at this one.
Wait, why do you dump them all out?
This is ultra hydrating. See, this is more like her. She knows my skin is dry. It's a hydration mask. Yeah, that's more like my mom.
I think Salish is more confused than she thought she'd be here.
I wanted the skin tint, but I don't think I've told her.
That looks kind of dark for you.
My mom always buys like a shade 1. It blends in. This is like the best one, and I would think this is my mom. But if she bought this, she would buy like a -30 because of how pale she thinks I am.
Lauren and Salish go to Sephora a lot, so this should be really easy. Which one do you think it is?
I don't think it's any of these because this is a glowing serum. I mean, maybe she would get me to this, but like, no. This smells like chlorine.
Oh, it feels refreshing.
It's like being in a pool.
Yeah, exactly. Like, just go pick up some pool water and get a red bottle. So this is like not my mom. I'm keeping this though, like, thanks.
I picked out one of these, mom picked out one, and an employee at Sephora picked out one for 14-year-old girls. Which one do you think I picked?
I think you picked that one.
Why, because it just misses completely?
Yes.
Okay. You have to get every single round right.
Oh.
Which one of these did mom pick? 1, 2, or 3?
Dad picked that one. I think the employee got this one because there's Tower 28 and like every person loves Tower 28. If an employee was to pick this, they would pick the actual glass thing of it and not the refillable one.
Refillable's very mom.
I'm gonna pick this one, I think.
Oh, she got it right, okay!
Yeah, everything she has is refillable. It drives me crazy.
She's environmentally conscious, okay? We should all be.
I would feel really bad if I didn't pick my mom.
Later in the video, things are going to get even harder for Salish because she needs to figure out who of 9 people is her real dad. We brought some super famous YouTubers to try to fool Salish.
I am your dad.
Oh, you're my dad's friend!
Your dad doesn't have a lot of friends.
Next round, Lauren, Hudson, and I are each going to cook a meal for Salish, and she has to pick which one Mom cooked. Now announcing the competitors, Mom, Dad, and the king of cutting, Hudson Matter.
I got that.
We have 15 minutes to do it. Ready, set, go get your ingredients. Move! Avocado, she loves avocado, dill. Oh, actually.
Oh, I want the salad. I want the salad. Yes.
Please, I got it first. Please, come on.
Fine. Ooh, maybe a little of this.
Avocado.
Wait, what am I gonna make? I'm gonna take all these seasonings. Give me that back. Give me that back. Give me that back.
I'm gonna make Salish her favorite pasta with marinara and these plant-based meatballs.
My mom's really good in the kitchen, and she always makes me a lot of food that I really like.
Usually I use tomatoes, basil, oregano, garlic. I don't have that. Hopefully she'll be able to still tell it's mine.
My dad is not a good cook. He's probably making like the easiest thing that he can, maybe like a stir fry or a salad. I feel like he's gonna mess it up somehow.
One of Salish's favorite meals that Lauren makes all the time is fresh salad, and I know exactly how to make the dressing. There's no way she'll be able to tell the difference.
Hudson never cooks me food, so I don't think he's gonna really know what to pick that I would like. I think I'm gonna know it's him.
One of the things my mom always makes for Salish is black beans and rice. I know exactly how to make that because personally, I think I'm the best chef in the family.
Who taught you?
That's funny. Hey, honey, does Salish usually do avocado in her salad? Oh, come on.
Hey guys, does this change your tune?
Whenever Hudson's in the kitchen, he always makes like the kitchen so messy.
Watch this, Dad.
No, actually don't. Hudson!
I bet you couldn't do that.
Yeah, I couldn't.
Oh, I just got new shoes. Always gonna be messes.
Don't tell Salish I touched the avocado with my hands.
She's not gonna eat that.
Do we usually do dill for Salish? Okay, come on. I'll trade you a little dill for your sauce if you tell me if she takes dill in her salad. Listen. No,
Thank you. I needed this. I needed it. Could you open this?
Hold on. Okay, there's something obviously
It's hard,
wrong.
right? There's something wrong with the bottle.
No,
there's definitely some.
You guys are losers.
Anyway.
Wow, that was embarrassing. Hey, Mom, you want some dill? Booza!
Is there dill in them? I mean, come on. I'm putting dill in there, and I hope it's right. I like dill. I think the dill worked. I think that's gonna sell it. I think the longest when it was a salad. Time to see which meal she picks, and yep, I was away.
That is not my mom. Now I'm gonna try this.
What'd you think?
It's good. Normally I would like this, but I feel like my mom knows that I don't really like cheese, maybe, because she's made this for me a lot and I normally don't eat cheese. And these aren't really seasoned at all. So,
Salish, time for a decision.
I don't know. I think it's either of these. It's for sure not that one. It's like obviously not that one.
We only had limited ingredients, and we only had 15 minutes to make it. Which one of these meals do you think Mom made? You can't miss any of these. Are you ready?
I think it's this one.
Wow!
Yay! I knew it.
Was the winner.
Salish didn't get tricked that time, but just wait until she has to find her mom without seeing her. For the next round, Salish is blindfolded because we all know how she feels about emotion.
This channel is not allowed to have emotion.
Exactly. Mom is very sentimental. She saves everything from your childhood, and she loves to knit, right?
Uh-huh.
On a table in front of you is a bunch of stuff from your childhood except one thing. Can you pick the thing that's not from your childhood?
I picked some of my most favorite.
To New York. I remember wearing it and Boomer loved that. I know this book. It was about a caterpillar thing that turned into a butterfly.
This is Salish's very favorite dress from when she was 3. Despite how it looks, it's clean.
This dress, it is crusty, bro. But I remember this. I wore it like every single day and I wouldn't change out of it.
Sandy, cue some photos.
No. Me and my mom. I think I was gonna make like a whole book and then I probably got bored. So I just wrote like one word. Yeah, that sounds like me. Happy birthday, Mommy, with only one M. Yep, sounds like me. Yeah, this is for sure me. I remember drawing that heart actually. My mom for sure made that.
But did she make it for you?
Oh no, she for sure made this for Hudson and gave it to me. My only clothes were hand-me-downs, like I'm not kidding. I remember my mom showing me pictures of these shoes about how I would wear them. So these are mine. Mom, did you want to put me in some Nikes or something?
Like some dunks? Why did you put me in those?
So I guess it all comes down to these two sweaters. Which one of them Mom knit for you and which one did we buy?
I know that my mom knit me this. I remember wearing this sweater and I really loved it. My mom would never just buy a knit sweater if she could make it for herself. Also, if I wore this as a baby, it looks too perfect. It doesn't look crusty at all. It looks new.
So your vote is?
This one was not from my childhood.
What's the answer, honey?
She's right.
There we go! Yay! That was an easy round.
Yeah.
This next one's gonna be really hard.
I can't believe my mom saved all of that stuff. Wow.
The next challenge will be super hard. Salish will need to figure out who is Nadal in the middle of a bunch of people. And Nadal wasn't doing a good job being himself.
What's our favorite ride to do together? The dragon. This is sounding a little desperate.
The final round will be elimination. There are 5 of us. Salish will ask us a series of questions that we have to answer, but our voices
will be changed to sound like this. So she will have no idea who is talking to her.
She will be wearing noise-canceling headphones just like this, and she will eliminate 1 person per round until she gets to the final 2 to see if she can pick her mother. Even though it's voice modulated, meaning she won't be able to hear our actual voices, she will be able to tell if it's a high or low voice, so we all have to sound just like Lauren, okay? Why don't you just say a line, and then we'll all try to sound just like you.
I love you, my say-say.
I love you, my say-say.
I think we're ready. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's go. Lauren has a really specific voice, so we're going to change the voice modulation every single time so Salish can't tell if it's a man or woman speaking.
Know that? All right, number 2. Let's go, number 2. So that I know you're not asking my mom for the answers, you have to keep on talking when you're thinking. Yep. Who's my favorite person to hang out with? Not in the family.
Your friend and Peyton and the dog.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, who's my favorite person in the family?
Me, obviously.
Who are you?
Mom.
I love hanging out with Mom, but probably Hudson because, you know, but like Mom's my second favorite. Dad's like my last favorite, you know?
But I'm your second favorite?
Yeah, you and Hudson are tied.
Oh, okay.
Dad's all the way at the bottom.
That's fair. He's at my bottom too. I mean, he's my least favorite person in the family too.
I feel like my mom wouldn't say that, but okay. What's my favorite subject in school?
Well, it was math. I think probably still is, but you had such a great time doing that play that maybe it's theater.
Absolutely not for theater. Loki, this might be my dad because my dad did theater when he was like my age and he wants me to like theater, I guess. But definitely not theater. The answer is none of them. I don't like any subject.
Well, maybe Salish, if you applied yourself a little more, you'd like it better.
I don't really think this is my mom. This is probably like some random person not in my family. What's my favorite fruit?
Strawberries?
Definitely not strawberries.
When you make a smoothie, it's strawberries, water, and ice.
Yeah, that is correct.
So that's your favorite fruit?
No, my favorite fruit is probably like coconut or mango. Yeah, this is not my mom. Bye, number 2.
Whatever.
My mom would not say whatever. That sounds like a dad thing to me. So far, I don't think number 1 or 2 is my mom because number 1 sounded so weird and number 2 said whatever.
Eat my sweet say-say. Hi, my sweet say-say.
That is not my mom. That sounded so hesitant. My mom would just be like, hi, say-say, not hi, say-say. This is not my mom. What the heck? I'm just gonna ask some more questions just in case. What game do I play with my grandparents like every time I see them? Sing, let's go, sing.
You know I have a cough right now. Hold on, give me a second.
Sing. Okay, this is not my mom. You know what? I am like, number 3 is not my mom. Number 4, not my mom. I'm not even gonna ask questions to this person. Number 4, my mom hates making a big deal about if she's sick. She would not be like, I have a cough right now.
Hi, say-say.
What the heck?
Hi.
What's my favorite meal that you've recently cooked?
Stuffed peppers, of course.
Oh, wow. That was actually really correct. That was really good. What's my favorite color? I mean, everyone knows this one, but like, what is it?
I think beige and white.
What the heck? Oh, I don't know. I thought that was my mom, but I don't know that answer. What do I like to do in my free time?
Well, you don't have a lot of free time.
Okay, yeah?
But when you have free time, you love to FaceTime with your friends.
Yeah.
Go shopping with your friends. Beat up Dad.
I mean, yeah, I guess so. He does have a pretty big bruise from my pinches.
He does?
But okay. Yeah. I think number 4 is most like my mom, but next thing. Okay, number 5.
Hi, Say.
Hello? Have I ever driven a car?
Oh, sure.
Okay, yeah, that's correct. What is my favorite outfit?
You like the fitted camis with...
What's a cami?
Like a tank top with the sweatpants.
Okay, you actually know that. Okay. How many concerts have I been to?
I'm pretty sure it's just 2.
Yes, it is, but it took you a long time.
And I was just trying to remember if you had
I'm a
gone...
little bit suspicious that you guys are asking my mom all these answers, but I mean, okay. What is my favorite gymnastics event?
Uneven bars.
Oh yeah, it is. Okay, what's my least favorite thing about bars? Don't sing.
The blisters.
It's actually called a rip, and I'm pretty sure my mom knows that. So I don't think this is my mom, but no, it's actually breaking in new grips because that's terrible. This is a no. I've asked all 5 moms all the questions, and now it's time to eliminate one of them. I think that my mom is number 4, but I know for sure it is not number 1 or 2, so I'm gonna eliminate number 2. Yes, I knew it was you.
Of all of us, I lost first. There were some pretty bad answers out there. Do you think you know who every person is?
Yes.
All right, let me hear it.
Okay, number 1 is Hudson, number 2 is you, number 3 is Dell, number 4 is Mom, and number 5 is Fiona.
If it's that easy, I'm gonna throw a little curveball. Round 2, you only get to ask each person 1 question.
What?
And contestants, change your seats and numbers.
Why did I say that, bro? No, that's not fair.
Yep, if you know your mom really, really well, if you're connected like you are obviously with me, if you're that connected with her, then you'll be able to get her every single round. Good luck.
What? Okay, number 1, you have 5 seconds to answer, or actually 3 seconds to answer, so I know that you're not cheating and asking somebody else. What is my lock screen on my phone?
It's the young man you always talk about that's gonna be your husband. You know, the cute brunette boy.
Keep going.
We watch him on a show.
Okay, that's it. I'm eliminating you. Mom, we just watched the show together like a couple of weeks ago, the summer I turned pretty, so no. That is not my mom. That is not my mom. I knew it. Salish! I knew it was you.
I did so good! How could you do this to me?
Because my mom knows who's on my lock screen.
So you have 3 people left. You have Mom, you have your brother, and you have Mom's best friend who's known you since you were born. You can ask as many questions as you want, but at the end you gotta eliminate 1 more person. Are you ready?
Yes.
You're getting close to proving that bond with Mom. Let's see what it goes.
Hi, honey.
What's my favorite shoe brand? 3, 2.
I think it's Air Force.
Air Force is not a shoe brand.
Nike.
Okay. What did I get you 2 Christmases ago? 3, 2, 1.
A Christmas card.
Okay, this is not my mom. Nope, I actually got you a Lululemon Scuba.
Wait, but wasn't that 3 Christmases ago?
Oh, maybe. What did I get you last Christmas?
A kayaking trip for all of us to go up north.
That's what Hudson got you. Okay, this is not my mom.
Seriously, Hudson should know more about his sister. Later in the video, we brought out some people that know a ton about Salish that are going to confuse her and make it even harder for her to figure out which one of them is Nadal.
Have you ever had a crush? Obviously, like Addison Rae and Madison Beer. Okay, I know!
She's talking to her like she's Nadal.
All right, number 2.
Hi.
Where is my favorite place to go on vacation?
Probably New York.
New York? I mean, it's an okay vacation spot. It's not my favorite though. It is actually Colorado. Yeah, no. Okay, do I ski or snowboard? 3, 2, 1.
Snowboard.
Did I ever ski or was I always snowboarding?
You know, I wasn't there a lot, so I can't remember.
This is not my mom. Okay, number 3. This is not my mom. You remember. Number 3, let's go. Let's just move on to number 3.
Hi, babe.
Hi, what kind of dog do I want to get?
Sometimes you say a Labrador Retriever. Lately, though, it's been German Shepherd or a Siberian Husky.
Yeah, those are all the 3 that I really want. So far, this is sounding like my mom. Who is my celebrity crush?
Harry Styles.
What? No, that is so old. It's actually Gavin from The Summer I Turned Pretty. Ugh, I don't know. I thought this was my mom, but I don't know. I feel like my mom should know this. How long have I been doing gymnastics?
Well, since you were 2.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, so it's time for elimination. Thank you, number 3. You can go back now. One of these contestants is my mom. Whew, I don't know. Okay, ready? I'm gonna eliminate number 2. Please say that wasn't my mom. That would be so embarrassing. Okay, number 2, come out. Yes! I was right. I knew it. Good job.
I actually knew some of those answers better.
You knew a couple. Nice try. I'm very happy that I didn't eliminate my mom because that would have been really embarrassing.
Final round.
Okay,
Do you think you can pick mom?
Yes.
Are you that connected?
I think so.
You get to ask each of them one question, and it has to be the same question.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, I got this. I have a good question. Number 1 contestant.
Hi, sweetie.
Hudson is the favorite kid. What do you think about that?
I hear you say it a lot, and honestly, it makes me really disappointed because of how much I love and care about you, and I really want to make sure I can treat you both equally.
Okay,
Even though it may feel that way sometimes, I love you.
That kind of sounded like my mom. All right, contestant number 2, you can come out.
Oh, hi.
Ooh, okay. So what do you think about the thing I just said? Hudson's the favorite sibling. What do you think?
I think you couldn't be farther from the truth.
Because the truth is, we love you so much, more than anything in this world. And nothing has made us happier than to watch you and Hudson grow up into the people that you're meant to be.
No, stop. I get it. That sounded a lot more emotional, you know? I think number 2 is my mom. Yay! I got it!
This is my daughter Salish, and today she's going to find out just how well she knows me.
There will be 9 disguised dads sitting in these chairs, and I will be one of them. Whenever we speak, our voices
will be modulated to sound like this.
There will be 8 challenges to help Salish figure out which one of us is her real dad. She will eliminate one person after every round. In the end, I hope our bond is strong enough that she's able to pick me.
So what do you think, little girl? You think I'll make it to the final round?
Not if you call me little girl.
Okay, I just want you to know, no matter what happens,
Stop it,
I love you no matter what. It's gonna be okay. Let's start it. Round 1.
So the first round is you each have to do an introduction to your favorite video on my dad's channel. Well, let's be real, on my channel.
Today, my daughter Salish.
Number 1, go.
Today, my daughter Salish has only 1 hour to complete her first day at a new school.
That might have been my dad's favorite video. I don't think so, but I'm gonna put number 1 at maybe. Next!
Today, my daughter Salish gives 4-year-old Mila her first sleepover.
Why is that person's voice so deep? It's like, today, my daughter Salish. That is definitely not my dad. Next!
Today, my daughter Salish attempts 10 insane jobs in just 24 hours.
I feel like my dad might like that video. The energy was too high. Today, my daughter! It's going to no. Sorry, number 3. I will feel really bad if I don't say my dad. Next!
This is my daughter Salish, and one of these 5 women is her mom.
Oh, yes. Wait, I feel like that might be my dad's favorite. I think I'm gonna put that person in the yes, but I might take it down. Next!
Today, my daughter Salish transforms into 10 different Halloween costumes.
Definitely not. That person's energy almost got me to sleep. Way too slow. Number 5, come reveal yourself. About the right height, though. Take off your mask. Yes, I knew that wasn't my dad. But wait, Dar?
I'm not the only YouTuber here. There might be a few other people that you recognize.
Dar, I was not meaning to insult your voice. It's just like a little chill from my dad. Normally, my dad doesn't like this. This is my daughter!
I should have drank 5 cups of coffee. Then I would have been more like your dad.
All right, Dar, thank you, but you're out of here. I tease my dad a lot, but I really hope I pick him.
The connection between father and daughter is a special bond. She's always had me wrapped around her little finger. From the moment she was born, through every event in her life, my wife and I have been there watching and guiding. And today we will find out if she knows me as well as I know her.
Next round is what is something that I do that annoys you. Okay, dad number
not.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I find it really annoying. Like, really annoying when your hair is just stuck to your face the whole day. Like, it's actually kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie.
And hair off the face, Salish, your hair got in your face. Hair off the face, and go again. Hair off the face, little one.
My hair in my face does really annoy my dad. I don't think that was my dad because my dad always corrects me on saying like, and that person said like a lot. I don't think he would say, I want to be honest with you and I'm not gonna lie. No, I don't think that's him. Next!
Okay, this was easy. Every time I get in the car, there's more and more garbage in the backseat. And yeah, it's your fault.
Oh, that's not my dad. He would not say, no, it's your fault. And I already had him in the no pile. That is a definite no. That's not my dad. Next!
The thing that annoys me most is whenever we're in an argument and then you storm off and you say, it's fine, it's fine.
That person knows a lot about me. I don't know. I never really get in fights with my dad. I don't think that's my dad. So maybe I'm just gonna keep him in the know. Next!
You can be really stubborn and it drives me crazy.
Stubborn? Me? More like you. I'm gonna keep him in the yes pile just to like wait it out a little bit more because I'm not stubborn. He is stubborn. And that was really stubborn to tell me that. So a random person would not say that to me. That's you. Next!
You know I love you, but the one thing you do is that you don't eat meat. I just want to take you out to a nice steak dinner.
My dad likes that I don't eat meat. We are fully making this channel vegetarian. He always says that he like tries to be vegetarian, kind of. I don't think that's my dad. That sounds more like Nadal to me. Sorry, Sid. You're going in the no. Next.
You don't annoy me. I love you.
I don't annoy my dad? Wait. Maybe, no. In the between. I think my dad really does love me, but I think I do a lot of things that drive him crazy. Next!
You're always going to sleep so dang late. You need to start going to sleep earlier.
Salish.
Actually, that might be my dad. I do actually go to bed really late. And maybe yes. It's right there. This is the last dad.
Hey, Say, I love you, but you gotta stop saying so many bad words.
A bad word in my life. Definitely not. No. None. You are a million. No. Come out. Show yourself. You are the same height, though. You can just show yourself. Hopefully, this isn't my dad. Yes. You are way too young to be my dad.
That was a bad one. I shouldn't have said that. Out of all people, Salish does not say bad words. I don't know what I was thinking.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Heard me say a bad word.
After this video, go see if Ben can find his ex-girlfriend blindfolded. For this next round, nobody better drop my...
Ready? What the heck? Did I even go that far at all? Is my dad just trying to trick me? I was so sure that number 4 was my dad, but now after that, I don't know. Number 6! Thank you, number 6. Maybe. Kind of think number 4 is my dad. That's good. Oh no, there's only 2 more left, and I have to make a decision? Okay. Thank you. I don't know. They weren't like strong. Number 8. And I have number 8 in the maybe/yes pile, so I guess we'll see if it's number 8. That was very clumsy. Who could that be? Hudson? 3, 2. I heard a little grunt when I went, and it was like, and it sounded like my dad. Okay, now I guess it's time to make my decision of who I need to eliminate. I'm pretty positive that 3 is Hudson, but I'm gonna let him do one more because my dad and Hudson are very similar. One of the guys felt like he was way too strong to be my dad, so I'm gonna pick number 1. Okay, number 1, come out. Uh-oh. That's exactly my dad's height. Yes! Well, congratulations that you're really strong. Dad, guess what? He's so much stronger than you. I'm really torn between 4, 8, and 7. I think it might be 4, but I don't know. Okay, I guess we have to go next round to see.
I remember when Salish was only 3 years old and already the sweetest little girl you would ever see.
Cindy, can you please cut the
the emotional voiceover, let's just get back to filming. This round, I'm gonna know him for sure because it is a lightning round. That means that I get to ask him whatever questions that I want and he has to answer them correctly.
She thinks this is going to be easy, but what she doesn't know is that her mom will be on the phone giving the dads all the answers.
Number 2, please. What's our favorite place to eat?
What's our favorite place to eat?
Sweet green. We're gonna say sweet green.
Sweet green.
I don't really like sweet green anymore.
Shoot, she can't keep up.
In the middle, maybe a no. Okay, number 3. What is our favorite place to eat?
Well, we love going to ramen.
That might be Hudson because he knows that I like ramen. That's Hudson, I think. Number 4, which I am pretty sure is my dad. So I'm gonna ask him a completely different question about like our everyday life to see if he gets it correct. What was the name of our first dog?
The name of our first dog is Kaylee.
Kaylee.
Oh, he got it correct. I'm pretty sure that you are my dad, but let's keep going. Number 6, what camp am I going to this summer?
Surf camp.
Surf camp?
Oh, what else?
A gymnastics workshop.
That is Hudson. That's Hudson. Number 7, where was I born?
In our home in Mayak, New York.
How did you know that?
I am your dad.
Oh, you're my dad's friend.
Your dad doesn't have a lot of friends.
Yeah, you're my dad's friend. You're not my dad. Number 8, what's my favorite subject in school?
That's easy, it's math.
And are you good at it?
Dad? No.
Probably not.
Probably not. My dad is not good at math at all. You're going in the maybe category. Number 3, which I think is Hudson. What was my first word?
Aki.
It was Aki, but it should have been Dad.
That's Hudson. That's Hudson. I know it's Hudson. Number 4, which I think is my dad, so I have to ask him a really hard question. What is my favorite store to shop at for pants?
Zara.
Oh, okay. What about shirts?
Mango, maybe.
Maybe mango.
What's mango?
Or maybe it's called papaya, actually.
Maybe it's called papaya, actually.
Are you mom? Is that my mom?
I'm not mom.
My mom and I went to shop at Papaya once, and my dad does not know about that. So, okay, number 6, please come out. What summer trip are we going on?
We're going to London and then Paris and Amsterdam.
We're going to London and then Paris and then Amsterdam.
Yeah. What am I most excited to do there?
To shop for skincare at the pharmacies in Paris.
How do you know that? People know too much about me. Number 8, come out, and I'm gonna ask you a really difficult question, see if you're my dad. What is gonna be the theme of my room when we move into the new house? Because I've told my dad a lot about this.
Neutrals and browns.
Well, the theme of your room is gonna be bronze.
Bronze? Okay, number 8 isn't my dad. First of all, how did everybody know so much about me? Did my dad like tell them a lot about me? I'm gonna eliminate number 8. I'm really scared. I really hope this isn't my dad. Come on, go. Hudson is number 3 or number 8. Because Hudson has no idea what I want my room because whenever I'm telling him, he's not listening, obviously, because I mean, he's a boy. What does he care? Take off your mask. Come on, come on. Yes! I was right.
I almost had you fooled. I have something to tell you.
What?
Your mom was telling us the answers the whole time.
Mom! Mom! You told them the answers? I knew it because you said papaya. And Dad wouldn't know about that. You were answering all of the questions.
I was, but then I didn't know a lot of the answers.
Mom!
Sorry. That was so much fun to try to trick her. She was like so outraged.
You got me eliminated. I thought you said bronze. Dang, her style is bronze? I never heard of that before. But now I'm out.
Sorry.
Well, that round helped me not at all. Next round, I'm gonna let Boomer choose which one he thinks is our real dad. Okay. Okay, Boomy, let's go to the other place to find out. He definitely didn't like 4. He looked a little bit at 2. So I'm just putting everywhere he looked at. He did not look at 4 at all. Hudson is obviously. I'm not really sure about that, but that's what Boomy thinks. I have no idea which one it is, so I'm just gonna use Hudson and eliminate him. Number 3, come out. Is this Hudson? I think it's Hudson. It's Hudson, the way he walks. I knew it! I'm so smart.
I'm gonna tell you who everybody is, okay? Dad is number 9,
Salish is number 1 and Rowan's number 8. I love you.
After Hudson got eliminated, he ate only Starbucks for 24 hours. Go check it out after this video.
Next round is the lineup, so I have 5, 6, and 7 really know my dad. Okay, 6, you can come forward. Yes, I knew it! I was pretty sure 6 was it because Boomy went right to you, but then I didn't think so after I saw you guys standing. Thank you, but you are eliminated. Bye! 6 is gone. Bye-bye, 6. I kind of feel like 4 is definitely maybe my dad. I feel like 2 and 7 are like kind of equal. On to the next round. These are programmable. Sup, people? It's Sush. Sup, people? It's Sush. Perfect. The next round is the blindfold round. I have to trust each of these dads to guide me through these challenges. First one is the obstacle course, and if I go out of lines, he gets squirted.
Let's do this. I'm excited about this.
Back up, back up, back up. All right, let it go. You ready? Walk forward, slowly, slowly. Okay. Towards the right. Yep. Turn left. Okay, good. Stop. Turn your body right. There's a gap. Step over it or jump over it. You can slay. Okay, I just had a heart attack.
I'm walking forward.
There's a big jump. I think I'm gonna get squirted. Take a couple steps back. Just reminding you, if you step outside of the line, then like I get squirted. You wouldn't want to do.
Yeah, I would.
No,
That was scary doing the big jump blindfolded. Okay, so when Hudson got squirted, it sounded like he was having a lot of fun, so it might actually be our dad. Okay, I think it was guiding me how my dad would, so he's going up. I thought for sure it was 4, but now I'm confused. Dad number 7 has to hold the cup and tell me where to pour this water so I don't spill it on him.
Go right. No, right, wait, left.
Who's left? Do I pour? Did I do it? We have to do this until I fill up the glass. I'm just gonna... 7, you can come out. Hello. I really hope this is my dad. Okay. Come on, please don't be my dad. Yay! It's not my dad!
Almost got it. Look what you did.
Look what you did. Okay, bye. Thank you for being here.
Thank you to the Anazala family for starting this trend on YouTube.
We have 2 more people last round. And now is the moment of truth. You guys both have to say one sentence to me, and then I get to choose which one is my real dad. Dad number 2, you can go first.
Salish, I love you so much, and today has just been the most fun day, and I can't wait to keep having fun with you every single day. I love you.
Okay. Now, dad number 4. Dad. Happy Mother's Day!
This is my daughter Salish and her best friend Nadal. They want to be Valentine's this year, but I am not ready for that. You think that she has a crush on him?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So I've designed 5 compatibility challenges, ending with Salish attempting to find Nadal blindfolded. If they complete everything successfully, they'll get 2 incredible Valentine's Day surprises. First round, trust. Let's do a trust fall.
I don't know, are you sure? Trust me.
Does she really think I'll let you fall?
Yes.
What? Okay, I probably would, but anyways.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Set.
Okay.
1, go.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
That one scared me.
That was good.
Magic.
Check.
Nadal moved to Texas a year ago, and despite the distance, their friendship is clearly just as strong as it was before he left. Next trust, yoga pose.
No.
Oh, no.
Here, you guys scroll.
Wait.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, perfect.
Let's go.
Are they kissing?
Let's go.
Whoa! They're about to do a kissing photo?
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously.
I am certain now I don't want them to be Valentine's. Okay, I'll take the photo, but if you guys kiss, I am going to flip out.
You get really close and then you just fall.
Okay.
What was that? What was that? Sandy, what did they say? Did you hear them in your headphones?
Wait, I'm good now. My feet are in the sand.
I gotta get there for the photo.
3, 2, 1.
No.
Whoa!
Dang it!
Oh my god!
Dang it!
Were you about to kiss and then you fell?
Yeah.
Look at that! Whoa!
That was not close enough.
Yeah, come on, let's do it again.
Suddenly she's a teenager, it's Valentine's Day, and they're about to kiss.
Oh god. 3, 2, 1.
What happened?
It touched.
What happened? You fell into it?
Yeah, that's for sure. I mean, it's not our first time. True.
What did they just say? Whoa! I am definitely not okay with them being Valentine's. I'm gonna make this challenge even harder. Next trust challenge. Lead him blindfolded to go get ice cream.
Wait, what? To go get ice cream, Nita. Oh, okay. Yay! I promise I won't let you crash, okay?
Beware, she gets bored and gets a little flaky.
Okay, next stair. I won't let you fall. Go. Go! Go. Go, go, go! Okay, come on, Nita. Let's go. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I promise I won't let you fall. Come on, run. No.
These challenges have started fun and easy, but later Salish will have to pick Nadal blindfolded in an emotional test of their friendship.
We're almost there. You won't crash into anything. Salish! Sorry, I'm sorry. I promise. Oh no, there's a slide! We're almost there. Come on, no. Am I gonna run into anything?
Stop him! Oh my God, stop him, Salish!
Stop! Oh God! This is more work than I thought. Okay, we're here. Let's do our handshake, Nita. What? Can I get a vanilla ice cream in a cone? Now you have to pay. Where? No. Thank you. Take it. Perfect. Okay, the tip is right there. Choose how much. Okay, right here? Yeah.
I think he just left a $100 tip.
Eat it. Tongue? Okay. Now I eat ice cream. Nito, what do you think the prize is? I don't know. Remember when we went to Kalahari, the water park?
So fun.
And we went on iFly?
Disneyland too.
Disneyland? Oh, that was so fun.
I would love to go on a hot air balloon.
Ziplining?
I would love to do both of those, ziplining and hot air balloon.
That sounds fun.
That'd be so fun. No, that's not how that works.
Right there.
You guys passed the trust round, but I'm still not ready for you to be Valentine's.
Wait, why?
Well, because it's dating.
But you can be friends and be Valentine's.
Yeah, you can be friends and be Valentine's.
Are you sure?
Can you be friends and be Valentine's? No. Dang it.
If you're Valentine's, you're automatically dating. Comment below, what do you think? Next challenge to be Valentine's is affection. Saying very nice things to each other. That's all you need to do.
You're really good at being ugly.
Oh, Salish, your hair is so horrible.
I love your pearly white. I mean your pearly yellow.
I love your black unibrow.
You have a thing right there.
It's cool.
That you shave.
It shouldn't be that hard for them because they've done it before.
She's pretty.
Thank you.
Oh, you remember how cute you guys were?
Your flips are really good. I'm happy when I see you. And sometimes I miss you. Aww.
Valentine's are dating, so to prove it to me, go up to strangers and see if you can get a bunch of people to say friends can actually be Valentine's.
Okay.
All right, go.
Excuse me. Do you think friends can be Valentine's?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
No, isn't it a dating thing? It's a dating thing, right?
But they're young. Do you think friends can be Valentine's?
Yes, they can.
Thank you. Do you think friends can be Valentine's?
Yes.
Thank you. Do you guys think that friends can be Valentine's?
There we go. How many are no? No. No. That's 4 no's right there. Now we're tied.
Dang it.
Do you guys think that friends can be Valentine's or Valentine's means you're dating?
I don't think they're friends though.
Whoa.
They're like two legs, you know? Like they might be a couple. On the down low.
Okay, hold on. You know, that's my little girl over there.
Yeah.
You think that she has a crush on him?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You also, you think he has a crush on her?
Yeah.
They're 13. Do you think they're too young to date?
No. Not doing anything wrong. Yeah, they're not doing anything wrong for their age.
So you're like thumbs up on the Valentine's and yeah, they have crush on each other.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
We think that you guys have a crush on each other. You guys like are trying to hide it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
See?
It's okay if they keep passing all these rounds because the last challenge where Salish has to pick Nadal from a group of people blindfolded is going to be really, really hard. They have to have a really remarkable bond to be able to do that. If you guys want to be Valentine's, you need to know how to compromise with each other.
Ew, I don't like that.
You have to pick one item that you guys can order and share and eat together.
Ooh, steak.
Ew, no, I want the salad.
Mama's fried chicken.
Ooh, how about steamed broccoli? I love broccoli.
Baby back ribs.
I can't. I'm vegetarian.
Oh, this is driving me crazy. You're too much of a vegetarian to eat anything.
We have to compromise. We can do this. I think the best thing is a salad.
No tomato.
No, I like tomato.
And ranch.
I hate ranch.
I'm compromising the salad. At least do my dressing.
Fine. Can you get the ranch on the side?
Okay, this has been really fun. They had a great time at the beach, but wait until you see these final 2 challenges.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you. Wait, no. Wait. Okay, now we can eat.
What? That's the stuff.
Okay, that's yours.
Works for me.
We are now in a studio, and it is time for the final 2 challenges. We have 5 friends of Salish in a room. They're each going to pretend to be Nadal. Salish has to pick Nadal in order to move to the final round. When each person talks,
Their voice will sound like this, so Salish will have no idea who they are.
I might be a little loud because I'm wearing noise-canceling headphones.
person number 1.
Who is it? It's me. What do I do that bugs you the most? Do cartwheels around me? Okay, that is definitely not Needle. Tell me something you really like about me. You're cute. Needle would never say that. I'm cute. He would say I'm ugly. Who's my current celebrity crush? Mr. Beast. He's like 25. No, I can't tell if this is Needle. He's not saying the right answer, but like maybe it is, and he's trying to throw me off. I don't know. Have I ever kissed someone? Yeah, Nadal. Wait. Wait, so it's not you because you said yeah, Needle. This is not Needle. Okay, next person.
Oh my gosh. You said Needle. You should have said me. It would have made it more believable. Oh my god.
This is actually really sweet.
Is pineapple on pizza acceptable? Yeah, I think it's acceptable. Ew, no, it's not acceptable. What's my favorite food? You're vegetarian. Some vegetarian soup? Yeah, actually, okay. Who's taller, me or you? Me. Dang it, that is 100% Neil. Okay, no. Do I rely on my friends emotionally? You're kind of a crybaby, so yeah. Oh my god, I hate you so much. This is definitely Needle. Bye, next person.
I can't believe I just fooled her. Let's go.
I think number 2 was Needle because he got some of the questions right. I'm gonna be so embarrassed if that wasn't Needle.
This is Nadal's sister Gigi. She knows Salish really, really well. She might be able to throw her off.
Okay, number 3, go ahead. Needle. What? Have you ever had a crush? Obviously, like Addison Rae, Madison Beach.
Actually get away with doing it.
You want us to get up on the counter and dance?
Yes. If you don't want to do it, you can totally quit. And
No, I'm not quitting. I'm not gonna either.
if
I'm
you both
determined.
quit, I get the shopping spree.
I'm
Sephora.
determined.
You want the celebrity?
Yeah.
Who
The singer,
is
famous
the
singer.
celebrity?
Woo, let's go.
Let's go, hurry, come on. Hurry quick before they see us. Go. Then you're gonna count it out. We're gonna clean up.
I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Nasty, fruity, nasty. Acting, stupid, zapping. I'm a savage. Woo!
For cleaning.
All right. The cleaner over here.
Whew, that made me kind of nervous.
So cool.
Woo! Love it.
All right, Ellie, it is your turn for the dare, and I'm making this one up. So I have to make it really good because I want her to lose.
No!
Go on top of a parked car. Yep.
A parked
And I
car?
think we should do the lyrical walk dance. You can say no.
Gotta say yes.
You gotta ask them if you can get on top of their car.
No, but you said a parked car.
You can't get on top of somebody's car that doesn't give you permission. You have to go ask somebody.
Yes, I can.
Hurry, go. Start asking people.
No,
Okay, she quits. It's over. Who do you want? Do you want the singer or do you want Sephora? It's like a boxing match. 1, 2. By 10, you have to say yes or no. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, okay.
Hi, can I do a dance on your car? Can I do a dance on your car?
Okay. Oh my gosh, you're the strong ever. Okay, do you want me to ask for you?
Yeah.
Any chance that she could do a dance on top of your car? It's okay, I understand.
Oh, this is too much.
We're filming a YouTube video. Can she do a TikTok dance on top of your car? On top of your car? Yes! Okay, she's gonna hop on top of your car and do a TikTok.
You're gonna go fast, really fast.
Go! She said fast. Go, hurry. Very careful. Go. Okay, go. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Yes. Okay, here, I'll get you down. Come on. Okay. Thank you so much. Whoa. That was so cool.
Ellie, good job. Thanks.
It started going clunk.
I know. I was like, I don't want to break your car. That was actually actually terrible.
It was great. It was amazing.
It was not great.
It was amazing.
But Montana, for your dare, you know, there's
excuse me the entire time.
I've got a good idea now.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. We're going.
It's a TikTok. We're doing a TikTok.
Still have to come with a machine.
Well, okay.
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 I'm sorry, we're coming right down. Thank you.
Okay. Let's move this way. Thank you very much, officer. Bye. Wait, I'm gonna be on Montana Tucker's TikTok? Really? The Montana Tucker.
I think today's the day.
Whoa, I made it! Yeah! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Don't touch my hair. Come here. I've got it. Are you ready? Well, that was that does not even count. No, you did not do it.
The dare was to go behind her. You never said how far.
They both lose. You're supposed to stand right next to her like this.
Oh, no way. No, he's not.
Like this, right next to her. See, and then she would get mad. We're giving you a lot of views here. This is a YouTube video. It's awesome. This is huge. Is this national?
She's not.
Is this national, international, or local? Subscribe, jordanmatter.com. Hit that bell. Like that. And then we can keep playing.
I can't believe you just did that.
Because I'm a nice guy, I'm gonna give them each their reward anyway. Montana wanted the famous singer. Oh, Montana, you're beautiful. Oh, yes, that's good. Yes, yes, nice. Beautiful. Oh, he's gonna love the Elvis.
Oh, yes, that was it.
Yes.
Thanks.
Ellie didn't really want to support her shopping spree, right? So,
Yes,
okay, Ellie, you get it. Here you go. $50,000.
Thank you so much.
I'm not that cruel.
I think I'm gonna get a lipstick. I like this color.
We know she likes Gucci.
Yeah. Mascara.
This was so much fun, but we're barely getting started. Thumbs up right now if you want to see a part 2 with these two together. Thumbs up right now, because I want to see it. Yes.
Yes, let's go. Woo, woo.
Hello, everyone. Guess what? I've got merch. Very exciting, we have t-shirts and hoodies, all sizes, kids and adults, black and red. Here's the deal, I'm gonna show you 5 different dance poses in my merch right now. You pick one of them to recreate in my merch. You tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna pick 3 of you to follow and repost on my Instagram. Okay, pose number 1, center split. This is my daughter's bedroom, and by the end of the day, it will be transformed into an epic Barbie dream room. But she'll have to wait until tonight for the big reveal. While the surprise room makeover is happening upstairs, downstairs, Salish and I will be competing in a series of extreme one-color challenges. Salish is going to have to win 5 rounds before she gets to see her new room reveal.
Dad, please, I really want to see it. Can we please just go?
Okay, I know, the painters haven't even started yet, Say.
Wait, there's painters?
So the first round is inspired by one of Pop Reveal's many surprises, ooey goo. Over our heads is black goo for me and pink goo for Salish.
No.
We're doing a bottle flipping challenge. Whoever hits the bottle flip first wins and the loser gets gooed.
I'm going first.
No, actually, no, rock, paper, scissors. No, she can't just go.
Yeah.
No, oh my God, no. What? I didn't even get a chance to go. What the heck? What?
1 round down, 4 to go until I get to see my new room.
Obviously, I need a shower, but I don't trust Salish for a second. I know she's gonna try and sneak a peek at her new room, and so I brought backup.
Nobody's getting past me unless you know the password. You know the password?
No.
Thought so, okay.
Now my dad's in the shower, so I'm gonna go try and see the room. Let's go. Oh, hey, Ike.
Hey.
Excuse me, I'm just gonna,
No.
It's my room.
You know the passcode?
Nope.
You're not getting in then. Nope, not today. Your dad told me not to let anyone in unless they know the passcode.
Dang it.
No going back now. I've got something a little special for Say. This is gonna stay here forever. This is gonna be such a nice surprise for her when she sees my heart. I love you, Say.
Sandy, do you know where my
No?
I don't believe you.
I cannot believe Salish is giving me permission to do this. I mean, it wasn't that long ago I wasn't even allowed in her room. Now I can do a full makeover surprise. I'm gonna show you what Salish is gonna do later tonight for the big reveal. This is me being Salish. I'm so happy. I love you, Daddy. Thank you for making this happen. You're the best dad ever. Next round, one color shopping. We each have 5 minutes to pick an outfit in our color. Then we're going to post it on social, and whoever gets more votes wins, and that'll be me.
That's gonna be me.
Absolutely
Okay,
me.
I'm starting.
Okay, all right, go.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and try and find like a pink tank top. Just anything pink. Maybe like pink sweats.
This should be easy for me. We're black every day.
This is just a no. Just like, what is that?
I don't know if that's my thing.
This is like something my mom would wear. Cute. So I guess we'll try this. What else?
Oh, wait, just wait. Go to Salish, cut back to me in a sec.
These shorts, they're pretty cute. Sometimes I would wear pink shorts, but I don't know about that.
Oh, yeah. With the tilted camera. What? Come on. Okay, I don't think this is me. Moving on.
The hard thing is, pink and pink is not my style. I'm gonna go to the activewear section.
Ha! Okay, I have black shoes. I just gotta find the rest of the outfit. I actually have an idea. Let's be honest, Salish is probably gonna win this round because she always wins votes, but I have a plan. What if I get really formal? This is either a great idea or a terrible idea. Do I go full formal? We're only wearing these outfits for this one round, so I can get away with something that's not totally, oh man, that's like putting on a glove. I know I look good right now. Sandy, cue some cool music. I feel good, I feel good. Okay. It's cringy, right? I was cringy? Yeah. Wait, can I see your sunglasses? Yeah. Do you mind? No, you're good. I'm gonna win this round, look. Sandy, cue slow motion.
Now shoes. These are dad's shoes, so no. That is perfect. This is very Barbie pink.
Can I ask you a quick question? Do you think black tee? Or should I go with a black shirt?
I like the V.
I'm cool.
Yeah, I would be embarrassed if that was my dad.
There has to be something. Yes!
I'm looking at you, everybody. Come on now. Honestly, look at this fit.
Obviously gonna be this face. Dad, come on, please let me in.
No, you can't come see it. I don't let her in.
You know, I'm just gonna walk over here to Hudson's room. It's locked.
Now the room has been painted, it's time to turn it into the ultimate Barbie dream room. Nobody better to do that than Eliana Walmsley. So what are we doing first?
There is no we. You were out of this.
No, this is mine. No. Jeez.
Wait till you see what I'm going to do with this room.
Next round, mystery smoothie. Ugh. There's cups in front of us and Rowan put a bunch of stuff in each cup, black and pink. We haven't seen it. We each picked 3 cups and then we have to make a smoothie out of that. The first person to finish their smoothie wins the round.
The biggest surprise of the day is actually going to be in this very closet, so make sure you stay tuned to see what I do with it. I took all of Salish's clothes out of her closet, so I gotta find another place to put them, but I think it'll be worth it.
Do you have any idea what's in front of you?
No, but I'll pick first.
So first of all, this bed is honestly pretty cute, but I don't think it's Barbie inspired enough, so we need to fix this now. Okay, time for a brand new bed.
What kind of stuff would be pink?
I don't know, like
gum,
fruit?
like fruit, I don't know.
No. Go. This one doesn't sound bad. First one. This one kind of sounds good.
You're listening to them?
Yeah.
It's food.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna go with that one. And the random one, I'm gonna go with this one.
All right, now my turn. Rowan, this all better be food.
Yeah, only food.
That sounds suspicious. I have absolutely no idea what this stuff is. Oh, that's too heavy. There's no way I would like something like that heavy. Okay, that's heavy too. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, blackberries, actually.
No.
Dude, it's a smoothie. There better be blackberries in here.
Blackberries are purple.
I don't have any idea what this is. I'm just gonna go with that. Okay, let me see. Oh, that's vinegar. Okay, that doesn't have a smell, so I'm gonna go with that. I don't know what it is. Okay, those are my 3 selections. Like 1, 2, 3, let's look at them now.
Olives are your least favorite food.
No!
You hate olives.
No!
Pink bed frame. I'm so excited about this. I'm thinking this is gonna take a little while.
Molasses.
Whipped beets.
Beans with molasses.
Grapefruit.
You got so lucky. I would actually order this smoothie at a smoothie place.
Olives are gross.
Yeah, well, there they go.
Raspberries.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this smoothie.
You'll be fine.
We each have to guzzle them, and whoever finishes first wins the round.
Okay, ready?
Oh.
It doesn't stop! Oops.
She panicked. Watch the pour. Oh, this isn't gonna go well.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know if it, okay. I can't do it. I actually can't do it. I can't. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
I finished.
I couldn't do it.
I won. That wasn't that bad. On to the next round.
Okay, Ike, are you hungry? Look at how good that looks.
Pizza, huh?
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it right here in case you want it.
I don't eat carbs. Gotta keep them abs right.
Ike's doing a great job.
Now you might be wondering why I'm letting my dad redo my room. First of all, I want to see what my dad and Eliana can create. And also, I really like the Barbie movie. Next round, ASMR. The Barbie pop reveal has a ton of surprises, so Dad, you're gonna have to use your senses to guess what they are.
We're on to the final step before we put the mattress on. I seriously don't expect how anyone thinks I'm gonna be able to put this mattress on the bed. It weighs 10 trillion pounds. Like, I can't lift this thing at all. And what if I put it on the bed and it breaks and the whole thing snaps and we're gonna have to get a whole new bed? I just need to take a few deep breaths.
There's 8 pop reveal surprises.
I have to guess 3 of these right to win this round. I got this. You shook a box?
Yeah, I opened it. Here are a couple of the surprises. You have to guess what I'm doing.
You're crunkling a plastic bag.
Yes.
Boom, come on! Wait, I already guessed some, like when you were opening the box and stuff.
Those don't count. This is one of the coolest parts about it. I love this.
You popped a balloon in my ear?
No, I popped open the ice cubes that have a milkshake and the Barbie roller skate.
Cool. So far, no points.
He put his trust in me, and I cannot let him down, and I cannot let Salish down. So therefore, we are gonna do this. I think it's good enough. I'm gonna need a minute.
Next thing, put out your hands. Now squeeze it. What is it?
It's squeezy, it's squishy,
Yeah.
it's a little rubbery. There's ears, I think
It's
there's
a
a
Barbie's
nose.
animal.
Oh, it's an animal? It's like a cat. Is it a cat? Is it a cat, actually?
Yeah.
Good guess, Jordan. This is something to keep your finger warm, right? This smells good. A ring.
No, it's Barbie's floaty and her shorts.
Every Barbie room needs a ton of accessories, and this vanity has just that. Boom. Salish is going to love this.
This is the coolest thing ever.
Okay, I'm excited.
Ready? Put your hand.
Okay. Oh, that's the goo.
Yeah. Wow, Dad, you actually got it.
This is goo. I know it for sure. This is good goo. This is better goo than you've ever made, Say. Tell you that much.
Excuse me? Get in your hair.
Oh, no, don't.
Here's a little sneak peek for the big surprise. That's it. What do you think it is?
This is the last one. You have to get this right. You're gonna have to use your sense of smell.
I'm gonna get it right, come on.
What is the smell of her hair?
Ooh. I'm gonna go raspberry.
No! Strawberry.
No, I knew strawberry.
Fail. There's one more really cool thing I want to show you guys, but not with my dad.
No.
Perfect. This is the coolest surprise about this doll. And you take some ice, you just rub, and look.
That is so cute. Wait, I want to try.
You could do it on the lips, and it makes lipstick.
That is so cute.
Here, you try.
That works so well. Look how cute it looks.
It looks so good. Ellie, what's the password to the room?
Yeah, I still can't tell you. You have to trust the process. It's gonna look so good, I promise you.
I'm not very good at trusting the process. Can you just hold Barbie for a second?
Sure,
Thanks.
yeah. Wait, no, you can't sneak in there. Oh my God.
Oh, hey, Ike, you're still here. Whoa, is that someone towing your car?
I took an Uber, couldn't be me.
You know, these are actually really cool. I'm gonna add them to the room. Let's go.
Next challenge, mystery buttons. I will be stuck in this pink and black box with a bunch of mystery buttons until I push the one that allows me to escape. The rest of the buttons lead to random pink or black consequences from Salish. Why would I agree to do this? No clue. If I quit before I hit the escape button, I lose this round. Say, I love you. Take it easy on me, Kay.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to do this. This is the last time you're going to see my face clean. Say, what do you think of this one?
I don't know about that one.
That one?
Not that one.
Black over here, what do you think?
Just do whatever you want.
Well, how bad could something pink be? I'm going with that one.
Expired strawberry milk.
Oh, everything we're using in this challenge is like expired food or biodegradable food. So we're not wasting anything, but it's more gross.
5, 4, 3.
Oh, wait, no, that's so good.
Yummy.
That was cold.
Does it smell good?
No, it smells expired.
It's chunky.
In case you're wondering who has expired milk, Rowan does.
Hey!
Sorry, pink didn't work out. We're going for black.
Use coffee ground.
Oh! No. Well, that wasn't so bad.
Oh, I forgot some.
Oh, no, no, no.
Your hair looks really flat right now.
Fix the hair real quick. Oh, it's rocking pink.
Melted frosting.
At least it's not expired.
Oh, it's expired. Okay, Dad, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go.
I don't know if you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, no. We did this challenge 2 years ago, and I swore I would never do it again. Sandy, cue the clip.
We should have added pink.
How cute was she? You were so cute.
No.
I'm getting back at her right now. Keep rolling those clips.
We should do the polish challenge while he's in here.
Get me out of here.
No.
Keep rolling them.
No.
Yes. I'm going black.
Coffee.
Are you ready, Dad?
No.
Too late.
Oh, whoa, oh.
This was leftover from this morning, and there was a lot left over.
Oh.
I thought you loved coffee.
Not like that, I don't. I could use a little cream and sugar.
Oh, no problem.
No, wait, no, I didn't mean that. I'm stalling to give Eliana as much time as possible to finish the room reveal.
I don't think this is really matching the vibe. That looks much better.
Say, you want to do it next time?
I'm good.
500,000 likes and Salish will be in this box next time.
I won't be in this box next time.
Give us 500,000 likes anyway, please, because look at me.
Nope.
Okay, the next one actually has to be the color. That's the rule.
Okay.
Black.
Black compost.
Compost could be anything.
So in the compost, there's olives, molasses, vinegar, pudding.
Oh, so everything I had to drink earlier today?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, and there's beans. I forgot about that part.
Oh! This is fun, huh? Yeah, don't you wish you were me right now? Okay, got my eye.
I feel so bad about doing this to my dad.
Aw. Oh, she was kidding.
Can I use the bathroom?
No, you can't use the bathroom. I'm just sitting here.
Bye, thank you.
No, Salish, don't go to the bathroom. No, I don't want to sit. No, just.
Love you.
Say, I can't. No, Salish. Actually, Salish. Are you kidding me?
Okay, can I at least talk to Ellie? Ellie!
What, Salish? You can't get in. I've told you this a million times.
No! Ellie!
I promise you, Salish, it's gonna be worth the wait. Just wait a tiny bit more.
The second I hear the room is finished, I am giving up. But until then, I gotta stick it out so she sees the room complete as it's meant to be.
Just a few more surprises. I've got one more surprise to make the bed super, super special. Sandy, don't show them yet.
Hey, Sandy, remember when I used to be a serious photographer? Look at me now. Okay, forget black, I'm going pink. Pink!
Gel balls.
Don't worry, Dad, they're biodegradable.
Oh, whoa!
They're so nice.
Please subscribe because, I don't know. Okay, pink.
Pink kitty litter.
Oh!
Are you kidding?
Don't worry, it's fresh out of the bag, Dad.
Oh, okay. You think maybe you could pour some pink water on me next? Here we go, and pink.
Umbrella.
Oh, finally I can just protect myself.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so funny, Say. I'm just afraid of black, I have to be honest, because there's a lot worse things than black than pink, so I'm gonna keep going pink. Pink!
Hair ice gray.
Oh.
This better not be permanent, that's all I'm saying. I don't know if I could rock pink hair.
Ready?
No.
Too late.
Okay.
No, it works.
Stop, pink.
Pink compost.
How is compost pink, actually? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yummy?
Hey, Eliana, you want to finish up that room anytime? How did I get wrecked every single round?
Choose the right answers next time.
Hey, Say. Give me a hug.
No,
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
I'm about to go get Salish, but this closet has been transformed into a spa with a jacuzzi.
Spray string.
Salish, your room is ready!
Yes!
Yes! I quit! I quit! I quit! I know I said I quit!
Salish!
Okay, go see your room!
Yay!
Can't wait to see this room. I can't.
Thank you!
Wait, you need to look around.
Gosh, this looks so good. I don't even know where to start.
I even had your Barbie pop reveal.
Oh my gosh, I love them. They're so cute. I think my dad is still showering, but thank you so much, Dad, and I'm really sorry you had to get messy, but this is the best surprise ever.
Today, my daughter Salish and her best friend the doll challenge a 6-year-old prodigy in 5 rounds of a cheer and gymnastics competition. Wow! The winning team gets their dream night out. Round 1, tug of war. First team to get pulled over this line loses. 1, 2, 3, go!
No, that's all you got?
Oh, he's trash talking you early.
Let's go. Uh-oh. Hey.
Oh, what the? Whoa, whoa.
More muscle, Jaden. Come on, more muscle.
Get up.
Let's go, Jaden.
Come on. Get up. Run.
Let's go, Jaden.
No. Get up.
Wait, I lost my grip. I lost my grip. Wait a minute, Jaden. I got you.
Look at this. A comeback. We got a comeback right here.
Cool, Jaden. Jaden, I need your help. There you go, Jaden. Let's go.
No. Oh no! Oh! Oh no! It's all over!
Ow, my hand. That hurt so bad.
Hey, that's what happens whenever you step to the big dogs.
You gotta come harder than that.
Yeah.
Oh, round 1 goes to Jaden and Roland. Nadal, I thought you were stronger than that. Like,
Yeah,
no,
Nadal.
wait, you gave up.
I thought
Nadal
you
Wonder
were
gave
strong.
up. Cut. Next round is gonna
Dad,
be what?
Why can't you be that cool?
I
He
can't-
bench pressed her and threw her like 10 feet in the air.
I can't be as cool
I
as
wish you did that to me when I was younger.
Next round, each team has to do their bst cheer stunt.
I told you no!
They're cheerleaders, so of course they're gonna
Hey, didn't you read the title of the video? It's called Cheer.
What? Tug of war isn't cheer?
Salish and Nadal go first. They have 5 minutes to set up their stunt.
Wait, I have an idea. Ready? You go like this, and you're gonna go like that, and you're gonna go and catch me, okay? 1, 2.
And I'll go like that. 1, 2.
Okay.
Hey, Roland, can you come over here and help us out?
Let's see.
I'm gonna hold her. Look, remember how I got
But time out, how are you gonna get her up there?
you?
I'm gonna spot her, okay? So just in case you can't do it, I'm gonna make sure she's fine. Let's go, 1, 2.
Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, okay.
Whoa, whoa,
Okay.
whoa, whoa. Wait, he's strong. That's crazy.
I don't trust this kid for a second.
Pop her off.
Pop her off? What?
Whoa! Are you a gymnast?
Yeah.
Can you do a handstand?
Yeah.
Do you have the splits?
Yeah.
I'm gonna teach you a stunt, okay?
Okay.
In 5 seconds. I'm
Okay.
gonna hold you, trust me, I won't drop you. Ready?
Okay.
Let's go. Ready?
Do I feel good about this?
1, 2.
Wow. Whoa!
Yeah!
What?
Feet together.
What? Wow!
Yes, hey.
Wow!
That's how you do it.
Wow! Wow!
Hey, now you try that.
Now you try it.
Let's go.
I'm gonna need some backup.
Hey, back up! Back up! They can bring as many people as they want, Daddy.
And now Cheer Athletics is gonna help Nadal stunt say.
Dipping and then standing all the way up as tall as we can.
And holding her.
You got this, little boy?
Little boy, I'm holding her.
You're 11 and I'm 12, almost 13.
You're not almost 13. You're not even close to 13. She's still a tween. She's not a teenager, never will be.
We're gonna do 2 tricks back to back. Check this out.
And go, you gotta go right now, guys. Do I trust Nadal in this situation?
Grab the tuck, just step in closer, right hand up.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Whoa! Yes, say. Yes, say, pull it up. Yes, yes! Yes!
And come down.
That was awesome.
I can do that.
You can do that?
Yeah. Thank you, dog.
What? I wasn't even
Actually good at it.
I wasn't doing anything. Okay.
All right, go ahead and jump in.
Okay.
And ready, 5. Keep your feet underneath you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Feet underneath you. Yeah.
Wow!
Whoa, she got way up there.
Wow! Dude, my little girl, you see that? I bet that was impressive. Like, let's be honest.
That was pretty cool. I don't know why they needed 10 people, but we're gonna see what we can do with 2 people. Let's get them, mama. Let's show them how to really stunt.
You guys think you're gonna win the round?
No. No.
No chance?
Wow.
No, no chance.
1-on-1. 1, 2.
Whoa!
That's how it's done. Pop
Wow.
over. 1, 2. Hand ski.
What the heck?
1, 2.
She's 5.
1, 2. Are you kidding?
Heel stretch.
Whoa!
Free stretch.
Whoa! What?
Triple down. 1, 2, go.
What?
What? What? Whoa!
Jaden!
Little something.
What the heck?
There we go. All right, we're warmed up now.
Dad, why can't you be like that?
He's a baseball player, you know that.
And now we got Colton to judge this round.
No, we don't need to hear the judging. Cut. No.
What are you gonna do if you win today?
If we win, we get to go Yes, I'm with all my friends.
Hey, can Daddy dress up too?
We're gonna go to the mall if we win. You know, we're gonna get all the Bath and Body Works we can.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get steak.
No, we're not. Clothing and perfume. Juicy medium rare steak. And perfume and makeup and clothes.
Juicy steak.
And fun things. Comment down below which one you would rather go with.
This is gonna be a blowout if you guys don't win this round. Next round is handstand walk. Person get the furthest wins for their team. 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go, Jaden.
Oh, Jaden is already, what? How did she get so far out? In the lead, Salish is in the second. We got a big Roland, looks like he's bringing out the rear.
Getting old.
Nadal is still up, Salish is still up. It's Salish and Jaden. This is all over if Jaden wins. Whoa, Jaden's stumbling, Salish, oh, Salish could win it. That was so close, replay it. This is a photo finish for round 3. If Salish wins, it's close. If they win, it's a blowout. There goes Jaden and Salish. Salish, one extra step! Yeah! Wow, that was so close!
You win some, you lose some, okay? Look at me. You can't win everything, mama.
Just like Salish, Jaden is super competitive and always wants to win. But her dad is gonna make her feel like a winner no matter what happens.
You win some, you lose some, okay?
Jaden!
You're right,
You did
fine.
such a good job.
You did good.
Here.
Come here. You beat 2 rounds. Jaden, it's so good because guess what? You've only had 6 years, but I've had 6 more years to practice that. And I only beat you by that much. And that was the farthest you've ever won.
Front layout. Not bad, sir. Not bad. Not bad.
Number 3.
What's up, Markel? All right. Can't let an 11-year-old beat me.
Fine front.
Wow.
Wow.
Trying to take it easy on him, Markel.
I don't think you know who Nadal is.
Hey, I know who he is. I got this. Let's go. Let me see what he can do.
You realize if you lose this, you guys lose this entire competition. It is down to this moment.
No, you do not let me down. You show him how it's done.
Okay.
Okay. We've done a lot of flipping competitions, but Roland might be your toughest competition yet. That was sick. You got to bring out your best.
Regardless, much respect to you. Shut it down. Let's go. Show me how to do it.
Here we go.
Come on, Nadal.
Wow. Oh, okay. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my gosh. Hey, Markel, I didn't think he was going to do that. Shout out to you.
I told you. Nadal did a bounce back and ended with a double back, so I'm going to have to give the wins to Nadal.
Hey.
Markel, you are literally the queen of everything.
Thank you, Markel. This is all tied up. Final round. Remember, the winning team gets to pick the evening of their choice. This is getting exciting. Next round, partner yoga. You each have 1 minute to do this. Go.
Go like this. Go.
I'm going to lay on my back. You put your feet up. You just kick over, but don't kick over all the way. You're going to fall off, okay?
No, not right there on my stomach.
Oh, my feet are too big, mama. Ready, set, let's go.
3, 2, 1. No, it's right here.
Arms down, hands down, lower. Right there.
Look at me, look at me. Wow.
Chin up high, big smile.
Got it. That was a good shot. Oh, they're getting it too.
No, Salish, lean forward. He's not catching me.
There we go. Oh, we got it.
He couldn't hold me, so I couldn't get my feet fully over. Oh, no. I can hold that.
They got the photo, so it counts. We're gonna make it a little harder. Figure out how to do this.
Okay.
Oh!
You just threw my daughter down?
Oh, yeah, this is good.
This kid.
I can do it.
So whoa. Here, lay down on your back, your back.
My pose is this. No. Yeah, that's my pose.
Head back, hips up high.
Oh my gosh.
Point your toe.
Arch more, just make it say, whoa! They got that shot. Wow. You guys have 1 minute. You have 1 minute.
Dude, Roland, help us!
You need help? Let's go help him, Jaden.
You have 1 minute. You have 50 seconds.
Push her up.
Can they do it? They needed to bring in help. Roland is a heck of a competitor, isn't he? Look at this.
Lock out your arms high. Push her up.
Okay, Salish, now curl your foot. Salish.
Give her some balance over here.
Oh boy. Okay, be safe, please.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, hold it. They got it. Whoa! Wow! Let's give it up to Roland. You are a great sport. It counts because he allowed it to count. This is the final pose. Whichever team gets it first wins. 1, 2, 3, go.
Do a handstand. Here, come here. Give me your hand.
You better hurry.
Okay. My feet go on your hands.
Roland's already in position. Say, none of them can do it. This is the hardest one. Okay, go.
Wait. Now grab my ankle.
Use my foot. Use my foot.
Jay, stand up. Come here, hurry.
Everybody's falling. What is going on?
You have to go like this.
Back bend. Now grab my ankle. Hurry. Grab my ankle.
I'm bottom, go top.
What do I do?
Put your feet on my hands.
Yeah. Let's go.
No! Feet on my hands.
Looks like Jaden's gonna get it.
Ow, it hurts, Jordan.
You got it. It's over. And look at what are you guys doing?
Yep. High five, mama. Let's go get a dress.
We lost. I know, big bummer. Tag your Wait, what?
Pretty sure you've been crushing, non-stop gushing. Everyone says it's clear to see.
Hello everyone, we are here with another episode of Teaching Salish. Today, Lily Ketchman will kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna see how many awesome presents I can buy for Yariel in 10 minutes for the 10-minute photo challenge.